Hello. And welcome back to the channel. I'm Viggy. Ich mache live videos. Mostly of Yiddish. If I'm a to the antique video, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing. So help me in the channel out tremendously. So thank you for that. Nog het gepinde address. Die wil schicken etwas für the Unboxing Monday. Schicke sie hin. Lass mich wissen, wo du willst. Oh, het van me gaat water. So 100%ly, positively. Nicht. Not financial advice. So please be very careful. The market wegnemen alles voor die hast. Nicht kan gelijk wie ze die hast. Alright. De music zal er wazen dat ik moedig ben. We're keeping it on a low. Jetzt gehen wir das changen ein bisschen. That's it. Geht sich nicht losen. Man geht sich nicht losen, I tell you. Al gesehen in de Nayas, als sie gewähnt a solar activity increase in der Sinn, meint es sogar als Hand, geht man bekommen, in certain parts of the world, geht man sehen, der grüne Aurora. So, mal sehen, wo sie mir das können sehen, sie nicht. So one of those mornings, I tell you, so one of those mornings. It's one of those mornings. In Uganda, ik weet a ceremony for 34 senior officers. Uganda Police. Yankee T. Good morning, Yankee T. How you doing? Hope you're doing better than me this morning. But nothing is measured up with me, it's just the mood. Just the chemicals in cup are firing the other way. How are you, Yankee? In New Zealand, a two-month-old girl is gestorben because she got a medication error from the pharmacy. Oh, fine. That's not good. That's no good. I will do on with slow music, but I've decided no, I'm not gonna drag down everybody because I've been in a interesting mood. So that's what we're doing. Mit arbeiten auf sich, I tell you. We can nur arbeiten when man is in the bad mood. I had a scene yesterday last minute and I made a deli roll, shawarma steak, chicken nuggets. Oh my god. I guess the ganze scene hat sich gelohnt. Leinendig, Yankee, wäre ich hingrig. But good for you. And guess who made the CM? Rebianchi? Rebianchi Tier gemacht the CM? That's the only guess. Oh, warum ist schwarz? Sam. Wham bam. Good morning. Bad mood? I weiß it's not bad mood, but in a weird mood, the chemicals are firing differently this morning. So. Wie sucht man noch, bin ich gemacht für Robert? Nice. So, was hat gemacht, das hier mal? The olive vino? How are you, Sam? Weil ich bin in einer Tami Mood. Meint nicht Adidas an? Nice. Wie gewinnt das hier? Bitcoin 118 this morning. I don't know. Nice. Okay. I was assuming that, but kann ich gewollt reden auf deinem behalf. Gold 3300. I made the food. Oh, nice. Du hast gemacht the food. Nice. Okay. Spy 634. Oeh, zij hebben gegangen de high. Okay, so geëffend zag echt. Okay. 641 is the new high for the Spy. Nice, Yankee. Wie machst du the food? Und siehst du, du bist a man of the kitchen? Kingdom, red kingdom. Sam, by the way, this is me. Ich mach trein anzuhalten, nicht hier exploden. Just saying. Oh, I see. Okay. Nice. Nice. At least das gaat als iemand das gekent essen. Nice, Yankee. Okay, wat niet gewist. We're finding out new things about you. Yossi. Good morning, Yossi. How you doing? How's it going, Yossi? Oh, nice, Yankee. Okay. Und noch kann nicht jeder das reden von Kochen oder Grillen. Wie heißt der? Alles gibt's vielleicht eigentlich reden. Von Kitchen Stuff. So interessant. Okay. Nice. Wir suchen Yankees ein Stückchen a get-together, a Viggy-Vibe get-together. Kann sein ein bisschen tricky. Was du Menschen, was willen halten, seine identity, you know. Du seine Platz für nicht sharen seine identity, if you get what I'm saying. YG. Good morning, good morning. How you doing? You get what I'm saying? Why give me the sunglasses? How are you, YG? How was your night? How was your morning? Nana Zaiga. So they don't have to come. No, I get. Okay. All right, Yossi. Okay, good point. Can't argue with that point. YG, gewollt echt de music zo zijn zeer al low music, while my mood is low. The chemicals in cup are negotiating today differently. But nog over decided, nee, dan ga je niet shadow brengen de ganze Sache. You know what I mean? Slept so good after a night walk. Nice. Yeah. Good for you. Ik heb gezien de step count, YG. Very nice. Very nice for that step. Not gonna lie. Bana biri. Vivox the YG. Like of the gas, aus der walkway. Vivox Ziaplatz. Gotta keep the mood balance. Easier said than done, I tell you. Easier said than done. I'm trying to keep it balanced as we speak. As we speak, try to halten. Cool, calm, and collective, sir. You know what I mean? Yossi is tired and sleepy. Es kommt schon almost the weekend. Es kommt schon almost Shabbos. On the street. Nice. At die Box bei Nacht, trug a reflector, trug a flashlight. Just saying. But to shine at the guys at the Vox. I appreciate that. Just say it out loud. I'm not in a bad mood. So I should lie to myself, you say. This is okay. It will pass. It will pass. Lately, nicht lately, but ich edit a video wie für mich. So I'm running behind, so I'm editing like a month ago, or en ich kann sehen, certain days bin ich in a bad mood, en jetzt bin ich in a gute mood, oder verkehrt, so it will pass. Someone should buy a super chat. Yeah, see. But thank you, Yossi. Thank you. Geld redt Eibig. Ich hab umgehoben the live mit starke music, but then I was like, no, I'm not gonna torture people. Mit arbeiten auf sich. In a Sachmul kann man es nicht fighten. In a Sachmul tun man nicht fighten in the bad mood. A Sachmul darf man just so wie Machaber Hershey Danziger so. You gotta sit in it. Some days you just gotta sit in the bad mood. Yossi. Whoops. What bad mood? The bad mood, huh? All of a sudden habe ich schon nicht keine Ahnung von welchen bad moods man redt find. Thank you, Yossi. So funny with this arbeit. But thank you, Yossi. I appreciate it. For that effort. But it's okay. Meaning, kann ich an jeden Tag in a gute mood expecten, sie sind jeden Tag in a gute mood. Martin, good morning. But Yossi, kann sehen, that the mood hat sich gechanged. Kann sehen. I don't see a difference on any day. Sam. Stammen kann ich nehmen the joke, but when ich bin in a bad mood, you making these jokes, huh? Arbeiter das schwer. You don't see the difference. Oi, why? Why, G? Mood booster. Definitely mood booster. All of a sudden, I'm all over the place. I'm like, who's bad mood? Wie bad mood? Sehen mit der Harz rein, ne? Take ayahuasca. Oder, wie heißt es? Ketamine. No, es ist okay. Ich weiß, like, I'm analyzing, like, I think I know from where it's coming from. So, es ist nicht,
cold nights, no light. You already know what it is. I was born where the snow don't melt, where the dope boys move and the pain gets felt. 13 seen more than I needed to. Gunshots echo while I'm lacing up my shoes.
Oh, yeah.
Good dreams trapped in a rusted frame. Saw a body drop, but they ain't saying names. No fathers, just ghosts in the hallway. Praying to a God who ain't heard us since Broadway. TV static in the stove, he could crib. Fiends at the door looking half past dead. OGs whisper tales that can shake your spine. But I'm numb to it all, I just take my time. Got a razor in my sock and a prayer in my head. I've been
a good wake and bake joint. Sam, die Sachen sind noch nicht von mir. Take from Schwarz's table. Yeah. Make sure he doesn't see me. Es ist okay zu sein in a bad mood. Es ist okay. Solange man geht es nicht über für der Zweiten. Und auch, dass du bist aware davon. You know? Helft das heraus, der Matze. But it's okay. But I appreciate the super chats. It is definitely a mood booster. At least ik ben offen damit. Meaning, de nächtige videos met review, die gewesen oosterlich boring. Like, if 1 to 10 boring, it's a 15. Aber it's so important though. It's so important. See, watch na solche videos in 10, you know? Very important to invest in. You flex on the gram, I flex with scars. You chase applause, I walk the bars. This ain't rap, this survival is sound. This the noise. Be back in a minute.
Nothing but smoke where the truth should be. No light left, just a dark in me. Don't ask why, I ain't got no hope. Just go there, crack glass in a black hole. You can dig me, but I'm deeper than that. Buried in sound and the beat lay flat. No map, no love, no home to claim. Just a voice in the night saying feel no shame. Yeah, where the truth should be. No light left, just a dark in me. Don't ask why, I ain't got no hope. Just go there, crack glass in a black hole. You can dig me, but I'm deeper than that. Buried in sound and the beat lay flat. No map, no love, no home to claim. Just a voice in the night saying feel no shame. Been down roads that don't got names. Past burn signs and crooked lanes. I ain't cry when the world turned gray. I just sat in the fog and let time decay. They don't got it, I walk straight lines with a storm inside. No hand in the shade, no voice to trust. Everything I knew turned bones to dust. Glass in my shoe, blood on my steps, but I still move calm like I'm past regrets. Never paid life for another chance. I just took what's mine with a cold blank glance. Clock don't tick when you're stuck in freeze. Heart don't beat when you learn to leave. Yeah, I talk to myself when the walls close in, cause the ones I knew just wore fake skin. Nothing but smoke where the truth should be. No light left.
All right.
Don't ask why I ain't got no.
We back.
Just go there, crack glass in a black road. You can dig deep, but I'm deeper than that. Buried in sound in a beat laid flat. No map, no love, no claim. Just a voice in the night saying feel no shame. Been down roads that don't got names. Past burn signs and crooked lanes. I ain't cry when the world turned gray. I just sat in the fog and let time decay.
So yeah. Yossi, thank you so much. Appreciate it. So funny with the money talk. In bad mood walk. Wussi geschehen. But ich will sagen, I'm not above it. Like, Boss Nation, G Morgan. How you doing, both? How you doing?
Voices in the dark like they know my path, but I talk with silence, don't need to ask. Drop my name in the river of lost, now I move like a myth, just smoke and frost. No calls, no text, just gross and loose. Same pain each day, just different boots. Eyes don't blink, I've been past tears. Too many nights fed by hate and fear.
How you doing, Boss Nation?
I just bleed in the beat, try to pull me back. I was born in the cracks and I'm moving back. No.
So, zurückgehen zu der nächtigen Review. Terrible video. Meaning in excitement level, terrible. But so important to see. Like, sie kennen like so viele Menschen auf der richtigen trajectory of life. Like, machen Gevre, wo seine Jungen arbeiten jetzt schwer, stut so ein Zoom für sein BMW oder neue narische Schicht. Kennen sie werden ein Millionär bei der 30. Und können gar nicht in der Welt in Arim fuhren und nicht darf arbeiten für keinen. Just saying. Wie hat man in der Parche? We'll see today. Ich bin busy, you know. Boos, was wissen als wieso rief man das? De will nicht do. Like, für man sagt willig, because ich enjoy us. In Zanzat, but to do timing issues and stuff like that. Joseph, good morning. Yossi, how are you, Joseph? Koiden? Yossi, it's some reviewed from Meaningful Minute. I think it's the YouTube channel. But man geredet von Finances. I'm getting to Roth IRA, mit IRAs und die Sachen. Und I'm gegangen Step by Step. Und sie gewähnt, so wie man watcht paint dry, you know? Terrible. But nicht alles is exciting. Und ich bin ein größer Advocate für Jinge. Und ich suche Jinge, meine Sache ist einer, was hat nicht crazy bills und macht Geld, soll investen. Yes, boss, there is a will. Definitely do a will. So du hast starke Wellen, but Thank you, Boss Nation. Wegen dem try ich echt nicht heranzureden, wenn redt, because ich enjoy the Weg, wieso enjoyt das. You know? Wenn du siehst, ein Mensch ist in sein Craft, wenn du siehst, ein Artist ist in sein Art, willst du ihm nicht stören. Ja? Which I think is very important. But then the life insurance agent has to sell you an expensive whole life policy. Ich verstehe nicht wirklich, Yossi, why you're saying this. Like, ich hab nicht what you're trying to say with that. But so good. Life insurance is nicht kein investment. Meaning, it's nicht the investment wo sich redt von, because I'm a safe investment. But that's not the investment idea that I'm calling for. Like what I'm talking about. Se du Chevre, wo kaufen a BMW, wenn ich sogar BMW just because BMW liegt mir den Kopf. They don't even like it. They buy it for somebody else. When they should buy a $5,000 car and invest all the payments they would pay for a car into investments portfolio, and sie fangen nun, lassen wir arbeiten, but between 18 and 22, lassen wir sagen. Ich weiß nicht, was ich pick jene numbers, but I'm just saying very young. But der 30 kann sein ein Millionär. In travel in der Welt und nicht müssen arbeiten für keinem. Ich kann nicht, was will. In Demmels nehmen wir BMW mit der Ruhigkeit. Nicht hard-earned money. Ich habe gemisst herausgehen von der Trade quick, yeah, because ich gewinnt über Langenes and I wanted to be out of it. 9:20, 10 minutes in market open. And it's crazy, as McKenna Steenhand, in his do apps, you can do it. Can Stefan on a Vanguard account, can Stefan on a mutual fund, whatever, Charles Schwab. A bisschen research, the invest, within no time. You're making so much money because I'm financially independent. Wenn ich bin gewesen 20 und ich gewesen kein Internet gehörig, there was no getting knowledge was sach schwerer wie Hand. Not so accessible. Hand is alles so accessible. In Chevre lernen gute Jobs. Du Chevre lernen gute Jobs. Immer geht ungetein mit den schönsten Kleider, man geht weg peisig, man spent so viel Geld, which you might enjoy, but die warfst weg. It's like waking up back in 2013 and nicht kaufen Bitcoin. That's how I see it. I literally see it that way. With your life, you know? A whole life insurance investment ever. Could be. I don't know. I don't know, Yossi. I'm saying... So I don't know. En ook, wenn ich mir gewinn jinger, meine ich zu sagen, aber ich nicht gewiss, like, nicht ich persönlich, und ich gewinn die Idee von hoben a scheine Car, a Car gewinn 4 Räder. Like, if you had a car von 4 Räder, we were all good. Just unzikima Plätze. In Hand liest man Cars. Und man darf ein schöner wie der zweite. Und jede 2 Jahre oder 3 Jahre muss man hoben eine neue Car. Because das doch es genommen für der zweiten. Was hat sich gechanged? In 3 Jahren ist schon ein Car alt. That's how I see it. So you're spending so much money as a zweiter soll bekommen attention von a zweiten. Now I understand for what die willst bekommen attention von a zweiten. I mean, it's a part von unser Survival. But man kann es overriden. Just with the right knowledge, you can write it over. Imagine arbeiten 10 Jahre, weglegen an Geld und nicht müssen arbeiten ein ganzes Leben noch. I think that is cool. Versus drive my car for a paar Jahre and sagen cool. Und auch, wenn man fängt an arbeiten und man legt dabei Geld, man fängt an saven, traint man jene Muscle. Man traint die ganze Zeit jene Muscle, aber man darf nicht um. Nein. Meist man will nicht. Menschen willen haben. Maar Ausgang von der Trade, frag von was. Gehen wir da, C-. Tell me that was faking. Wie gewinnt faking? Why would I go for faking? Then I can like a B. I'm going for bake. Like, if I'm already doing it, might as well go for the real thing, no? Like, what does this have? Cheap shot, Sam. Faking. Am I still win? Some fakery? From a bakery? No. Ze gaan beef stew. Ook direct van de beef stew meat. Dat is niet, maar dat is wel zo'n deze size. I think. You have to be because yesterday was a beef. Yeah. Lately it's just terrible. Terrible, Monterey. Nothing to be proud of. Nothing to be proud of.
You gotta put your past behind you.
Oh.
Look, kid. Bad things happen, and you can't do anything about it, right? Wrong. When the world turns its back on you, you turn your back on them.
Ah, this is Tiki and whatever.
Then maybe you need a new lesson. Repeat after me.
Repeat after me.
Hakuna Matata.
Oh, from Lion King. Hakuna Matata.
It
Means no worries. Gaat er aan voor een Hakuna Matata? Sounds? No? All right. We were there. Sam, ob die redest von der Sterne, sie gewähnt Chinese Food. Ich habe gemacht Chinese Food. So, man nimmt Beef Stew, they meat, ma brownt es, ob die willst wissen. Ma brownt es in the top. Man macht Ras, man kocht Ras. Man legt es in der Sache. Nun hat man Vegetables, und man fried es. Man brownt es. Und nun legt man daran der Ras. Man lässt der Ras bekommen ein Stückchen crisp. Und nun mischt man zusammen alles. And there you go, Chinese food. Nicht daran gelegt, aber Soy Sauce in der Sache. Oh man, Bier. Kick on. Terrible trading, Viggy. Terrible!
Repeat after me. Hakuna Matata.
Hakuna Matata. It means no worries.
Hante Donnerstag, hante nicht du kann live bei Nacht. Im Morgen hat dann Erev Shabbos for members only. There is. Jetzt kümmert sie noch eine Woche closing noch eine Woche.
Love that takes you higher, I will forever be.
Was ist geschehen? Ich habe gemeint, dass wir umgezogen, du bessere Musik, du. Hold on.
He walked the earth with gentle grace.
No, this
a
is,
light to guide the human race through storm and fire. His
Feel to have you tonight. Heartbeats racing like the speed of
Brooklyn. Guten Morgen, Brooklyn. Hab ich terrible getrade.
dancing wild under midnight's rain.
Okay, hat sich nicht regen. How are you, Brooklyn? How's it going?
The spark that overflows. The world fades as we collide. Feel so alive with you tonight. Feel so alive with you tonight. Your touch is thunder, a crashing tide, pulling me deeper, I cannot hide. Stars are burning just like a flame, forever wild, never the same. This love is spark that overflows.
Penny. Good morning, Penny. How you doing?
We take flight.
How are you?
Hearts soaring through the night. No map, no guide. Just this embrace. Forever lost in this boundless space. Feel the rhythm in our bones. This love is spark that overflows. The world fades as we collide. Feel so alive with you tonight. Feel the rhythm in our bones. This love is spark that overflows. The world fades as we collide. Feel so alive with you tonight. Sunrise paints the ocean gold. Stories whispered, never told. Palms sway like a secret code. The island calls, let's break the mold.
How's it going, Penny? How are you?
Dancing feet, feel that beat, never retreat. Moonlight glow, hearts compete. Lose yourself to the rhythms you see.
Oh, nice.
Waves crash like a
Kann ich mitgehalten, weil es sind größte Stacks.
twirl on sandy
Meaning,
ground.
ich kick sie nicht. Someone is making money. There's always people making money, sir.
Free where love's unbound. Island heat, dancing feet, feel that beat, never retreat. Moonlight glow, hearts compete. Lose yourself to the rhythms deceit.
Ich habe mal ein Stückchen hit in der Confidence von Treden, to be honest. So,
Stars ignite a velvet sky. Echoes sing and spirits fly. No goodbyes, we only try to let the night be our
I just have to get better. Du weißt, wenn der Tag, was man will quitten, ist der Tag, was man geht forward, ist der stärkste. This is what I've been feeling the last 2 days. Aufzugeben, die ganze Sache. Most probably the AI phenomenon. James. Good morning, Chaim. How you doing? SMS. Definitely beruhigt. Good morning. How you doing? How you doing? Hello and welcome. So yeah, so the talk wie die feels wie die will squitten etwas, is the talk wie die das gaan warten. And that's the eigene messages. Because that's what I've been feeling the last 2 days, really. To be honest.
Dance under stars, hearts in the dark. You and the beat, that's where we start. Move with
But this auch ein Stamm apart von meinem bad mood. De wollen quitten. De wollen mal wegwalken.
Lights in our eyes, moon in the sky. Step to the sound, we're lost, we're found. Oh, heart deep race, feel the fire in this place.
You can imagine the housing bubble in 2008 when housing pricing are high but no buyers due to interest rates.
We embrace all.
Bin ich weiß, man sagt, der Krach kommt exactly, wenn man tracht, dass kommt nicht. Weil wenn jeder eine tracht, dass kommt der Krach, und ich du kein Krach.
Take it slow.
Ach, da werden besser. Ach, da werden besser.
Under the stars we float. We float. We float.
How can I cheer you? No need to cheer up. No need to cheer up. I'm just sharing my thoughts. I mean, thank you. I appreciate that, Penny. But this is the chemical imbalance. Nur ist geschehen, you know, wenn, ich habe getreten, sein nicht geht. Ich habe geblusen an Account. You know, ein Account habe ich geblowt. Which is nicht so good for the ego, you know. So I'm gedacht, du nehmen Film frisch. So it's a bit, but it's normal because they mean industries will make you older, you know. Kijk, du aber ich geht getradet, ich kennt haben die ganze Sache rup, warum bin ich herausgelaufen? Penny.
Call my name, we play this game.
Penny, gee. Penny. I appreciate it, but
Heart be racing on
ich suche es nicht für das Amin,
like the fire.
you steht up to 1865. Yeah, paper money, Brooklyn. It's just I need to pass these accounts. And the one was gehad the meeste moved up. My number one account hat sich nicht. Ich hab es. Like I blew it up. And this is what happens in this type of industry, you know? It's there's no much to do. Why did I even get out of it? Because I wasn't patient enough.
Hold on tight till morning light. Call my name, like the fire.
So Penny,
Take me higher.
I appreciate it, but I'm not saying it for that. I just want to make it clear. Ich kann pity, although I appreciate it, but this is me something that will pass. You know, but I'm only human, so ich share my ups and I share my downs. This is the dance which I'm working on. Habungo in the live
Lifts us up.
mit a little down music, like calm music. Then I was like, no. Why am I dragging everybody down with me? You know, don't be dragging people down.
Shove the beat. Call my name,
Wow, kijk om de ganze Draft.
fire.
Erste Draft länger, warte, sehr wie
Feel the rhythm.
die nicht geht. Ich bin gewähnt.
Dance together.
En ook het traden is zeer personal. Ze veel moeilijk personal. En echt, mas begin fijn hem. Weiß doch nicht, was mit meinem Throat. Oh my God. Es fußt mir herup. Jetzt will es sich, soll es noch laufen. I will not run after it. No. I'll catch you on the flip side, sir.
Palm trees sway with the beat tonight. Fire flickers in the warm starlight. Drums are calling, hearts to ignite. Feel the rhythm.
Once a month is allowed.
Palm trees and fire. Drums take me higher. Moonlight and heat. Move to desire. Sand beneath my restless feet, echoes of the music sweet. Waves are dancing to the sound. In this paradise we're unbound. Palm trees and fire. Drums take me higher.
Wow, kijk om die. Wow, er lag zo veel geld op de Tisch. Wow. Sad. Okay. Jetzt gehen wir sich geschlossen.
Stars are winking in the sky above. The air is thick with summer love. Every heartbeat keeps the time. Lost in this electric rhyme. Palm trees and fire.
Aber Brooklyn, ich kann nicht promissen, es geht nur sein einmal nach heute. Because we never know. It's life. Powell doesn't give a shit what Trump wants him to do. Interesting. To focusing on different happy thoughts. All right. I mean, es ist ein bisschen schwer zu zitieren, weil ich trade und ich sehe die ganze Drap herup do. Meaning as I left so much money on the table just because ich habe nicht gut getrade. You know, sometimes it's tricky, but this time it's just, that was just me, I tell you.
Island heat under the sun.
It's just a kind of a push-off.
Ocean breeze.
See, technically I should close it for today.
We're all as one. Dancing feet.
Technically I should lock it.
Feel that beat.
It's kind of a slog. He does his job and he's a number guy. Inflation is high, so interest rates will stay high. Es hat sich aber geregt, Nächten? Es hat nicht geregt. No, Penny, I get it. I appreciate you. I appreciate it. No, I'm just saying, like, es die suchst du interest, happy thoughts. Es ist ein bisschen schwer, wenn man actual trade ist, you know. When they, you know, I'm staring it straight into the face. Penny, there's nothing. You don't need to shut up. That's not the point. I just want to say, no. And I know you're not judging. I know. We're just sharing information and just. so again, der nächten Digga Review gewesen, so boring, as shadows go from the mood, you know what I mean? Which I kind of knew at the beginning as a guy on abyssal, boring, which makes sense. Because it has to do with money, but it was like watching paint dry, like I said.
Under the stars, let's take the ride.
But Penny, you're good. No need to
hide.
Just so you should know, before gewollt that you should zip it, I think I would tell you. I wouldn't beat around the bush. What was boring? Der nächtige Video was gereviewd. The Living L'chaim. Them gehad dus een set of IRA accounts and stuff like that. And I was like, it's not stimulate, you know. It's nicht the nice shiny cars. And it's the fast-paced, interesting, like, oh, was het gezocht? Like, it's all yawn. But it's okay, because it's important. I really think it's important. I think it's, you know. I missed it last night. Did you post? Senenza biseved gepost after a live. Like, it's not up to me. It takes YouTube like a few minutes to do that.
Leaves are dancing, shadows collide. Under the moon, there's no place to hide. Roots in the ground, the connection so deep. The jungle's alive, it's secrets we keep. Rhythm takes hold, can't let it go. Heartbeats pounding fast.
Yes, it's like Shabbos Hagul Berushim when everybody's hungry. Yes, exactly, Brooklyn. Exactly.
Feel the heat ignite, let the magic
It was very much like that. And to sit through it, it was like, oh man. I was gemacht times 1.5, and it was like, Konjgolz was on schnell, if you know what I mean. So, like, no, don't stop the fun.
It's a wildfire roaring inside. A force unchained with spirits.
Okay, this was a mistake.
Through the vines, the pulse it grows. A symphony where the jungle glows. Rhythm takes hold, can't let it go.
I spoke already publicly. What works is a good story. Yes, I agree with that, Penny. But it's nicht du was sie machen interessant, and it's important. It's that I came in clutch because I want to focus on nicht ich soll educaten, because ich will noch educated myself, meaning, but through me, through the channel, to advocating for Menschen wegzulegen for, you know, investments. Like, I really feel like it's 2013 in the gret van Bitcoin. Like, you know what I mean? You got what I'm saying?
Dance under stars, hearts in the dark. You and the beat, that's where we start. Feel the rhythm rise, fire in your eyes. We lose control, let the music roll. Under the stars, we're alive, alive. In the dark, we survive, survive. Feel the heat, feel the spark, dancing hard in the dark.
Finde du hast ein Problem reden in public? Du hast stage fright oder public speaking issues? Ich fragst dann, wo du geredet sind. Wo du gesagt speaking in public.
Hands in the air, love everywhere. Spin till we're free. You and me, just we.
The problem is mit aufblusen an account is
Every heartbeat
then you don't trade
lose yourself in
the
sound. Would never come
the technique that what you host because you're scared of loss. Not anymore. Nice. Ich habe mich in a stage fright. Much less now. Way less than now. And but zat gewoon go im Teen YouTube Live in gewoon go hab mich selbst geholfen mit reden in public. Und ich habe jetzt go im Teen open mic. So it's a good combination. So I'm slowly getting better at it. Which is Hans Donnerstag. Wir gehen machen Jokes. Hello folks. Jetzt gaan wir machen Jokes. Vorige Woche habe ich gemacht a dark joke. Habe es nicht gut delivered. Die Eule mir gerne so wie, spicy. In dark jokes, da sagt man, weiß man nicht, wie man mehr lachen zu nicht. But die Woche, hopefully Elach is delivered better. I'll cut out all the other things that I shouldn't have said. Sag muss ich setten the stage, darf man sagen Sachen. Wenn ich bin nicht geht in setting the stage. I overdo it. Thank you, Boss Nation. Ik denk de eerste mocht getracht van spicy. Ik denk de eerste mocht getracht van 10 getracht van 10 open mic. Ik ben gewoond in Brooklyn damals. Shout out to Brooklyn. En we gingen naar train. De ganze Weg hierhin. I wasn't myself. My anxiety gewesen at 10. Ich weiß nicht, wer Boss Nation is, meaning, besides for Boss Nation, no idea. He can be anybody and everybody. Is humor similar to music where it's soulful? Dan, wie ich sehe, es ist dann Character, sie do certain jokes, wo es geht nur mit certain Menschen. You know what I mean? Like Menschen, Jokes darf man heranfitten, dann Nature, dann Weg, wieso du bist auf Stage. Du Menschen, wir sind sehr noisy on stage, high energy. Nachdem du Menschen, wir sind mid, nachdem du low. Like, kommt darauf. So last week, you know, also nachdem du last week, schreit. Ich bin nicht kein größer Fan von large energy, like sach energy. Not my type. Ich bin noch also wie low energy, but ich will sagen mid energy. So Well, the Sache ist, man kommt auf mit der Joke, and then you get only 5 minutes to deliver it. So the delivery mit der Wörter. When I'll take it more and more serious, weil ich anfangen in mein Head. In mein Head nicht, du hast auch Open Mics, und man kann hitten one after the other. You know, man sucht über dieselbe Sache, und man switcht es herin. Wenn man geht von einem Platz zum zweiten, switcht man es herin. I was once in a comic club downtown Manhattan. The Jerry Seinfeld popped up for a few minutes, prepared for a big show. Exactly, Brooklyn. When Jerry Seinfeld geht darauf auf seinem Big Show, ist es choreographed. Gibt es 2-3 Jahre vor dem. Like jeder Joke, jeder Wort, was er sagt. Comedy is a schwere art form. It's not an easy art form. Because sometimes kannst du sagen, get a joke, the room suckt. Der Room, sag mal, kannst du sagen, die sucks. Viele derselbe Jokes. In auch once die wirst ein bisschen größer in der Field, das dann nicht convincen Menschen, dass die bist funny. Meaning, wenn Menschen gehen zu Jerry Seinfeld Show, sind sich machniert zu Jerry Seinfeld. Der brain sagt, okay, this guy is funny. Whatever he says is funny. In a sense. So hat a easy-ish time. Because you get comedians, große comedians, complaining about that. Meaning to say, like, they feel that their jokes are not that funny, but jeder lacht because man kennt sie. Es hat auch gekommen auf meiner Timeline Jackie Mason. Ich pflege ihn hören als Kind, so ich hab ihn enjoyed. Who is listening to your show anyways? You getting what I'm saying? Are you listening? Did you come over you about before this started? Exactly, Penny. Exactly. Dein Brain sucht schon, oh, it is funny. Ich habe schon a trop experience, like, I'm not gonna say I have crazy experience, but ich habe schon gehabt, alle meine Rooms. Okay, dann muss ich wegnehmen das Wort alle. Ich habe schon gehabt, a sach meine Rooms, meaning, ich habe schon gehabt Rooms, wo sie gehen, verfreuen, Ich kann sagen, am besten Joke, nobody laughed. Noch aber gehabt, a room, wie der erste Comedian, he just sucked. And hat ausgelöscht in Room. In vorige Woche, oder 2 Wochen zurück, ist jeder, es gehen ein paar Comedians, like Open Micers, wo sie haben gemacht Mistakes, but the oil me gewesen full on, like man geklappt, man nicht gekehrt, in der Room gewesen, like explosive, you know, any joke he gefunden. Never liked him or Jonas in Schwarz. It's a different type of jokes. It's nicht, you know, a Yiddish joke darf man watchen. MCETS. Good morning. How you doing? Hello and welcome. Scheint dir zu sein. Jonas in Schwarz. Sag ehrlich, ich na batchen in a comedian. Depends on the views. No, not necessarily. So it's a team with the mention, so it's a team with the environment, so it's a team with just is. Just sometimes is. Sag mal, kann raufkommen, der erste Menschen machen a gute Joke, der erste, und die können sehen, der ganze Room geht sich als a F auf, like, oh, okay.
Fire flickers in the warm starlight. Drums are calling hearts to ignite. Feel the rhythm take its flight. Palm trees and fire. Drums take me higher. Moonlight and heat. Move to desire. Sand beneath my restless feet.
So, ich bin
Music sweet. Waves are dancing.
was ich will sagen, ist, dass ich schon gehabt Experiences mit ein paar different rooms.
This paradise we're unbound.
So, wenn,
Palm trees and fire. Drums take me higher.
I miss a good summer concert.
Moonlight and heat
Wäre dann concert goer, meaning,
to desire.
direkt von ein jiddische Concert? Man macht schöne Schau.
Stars are winking in the sky above. The air is thick with summer love. Every heartbeat keeps the time.
Hand is 70 degrees.
Lost in this
Meaning it's net niet gewoon like 93 freaking degrees.
palm trees and fire. Drums take me higher. Moonlight and heat
Zoek maar dat is 69 degrees en ze gaat regenen van 12 was eigen. Okay, guess who's walking in the rain? Wonder was Jackie Mason funny. For us Jews because he's unique in our culture. Ich habe gewatcht, gegangen auf Johnny Carson Show, gegangen zu alle Late Night Shows, Demmels. Wenn gewinnt on top of sein Game. He was funny all over. He wasn't dafke funny. Ich habe ausgeht ab von seiner Jokes und handelt man es gerief mal ein bisschen antisemitic. No, not Jewish, like Coldplay and Metallica. Und sie nicht du, Brooklyn? Sie nicht du?
hearts in
Ich bin nicht kein concert goer, but
that's where we start. Move with the night,
nothing beat
feel it.
Jet to Holidays.
Hands in the air, love everywhere. Let's go, yeah. Spin around, take it slow, take it slow. Feel the rhythm, let it flow, let it flow. Under the stars, we glow, we glow.
Yankee T, what is Jet to Holidays? What am I missing?
Lights in our eyes, moon in the skies. Step to the sound, we're lost, we're found. Heartbeat race, feel the fire in this place. Touch the sky, endless space. Under stars we embrace.
Nice. Nice, Yankee T.
Spin around, take it slow, take it slow. Feel the rhythm, let it flow, let it flow. Under the stars, we glow, we glow.
Ja, es ist November 6, ist am Birthday, ist an der Chasana. Everybody knows Yankee T. 100 days, Yankee. Enjoy every moment of it. Brooklyn, was ist dann Coldplay negen, wo die auslebt? En die Geist aan concert, neem ich mit the mistress. At least don't hug her. We will have a Viggy vibe circle. That would be interesting. Penny.
Feet on the soil, hearts in sync. The river flows where spirits drink. The moonlight guides the ancient song.
It's only for Instagram users. It's an ad someone got picked up. I see, okay. November 9th. Yankees ook November 9 is aangasten, hè? Mazel tov, Yankee. Just imagine. November 10, November 9 bij nacht, November 10. Bist du mein geherige Ayinger Mann, Yankee, ja? Yankee, das willst line in the book, Men are from Mars, Women are from Venus. Ich habe besungen beim Leinen. And I kind of think it's important to understand the different Wegen, wie sie Menschen trachten, the different sexes. Darf ich glauben, jede Sache in the book, but the ideas is definitely there. Don't take lessons from Nuchem Rosenberg. Brooklyn, like, sounded like a sincere guy. He sounded like a very sincere guy. I never saw that side of him, but also I never really listened to his hotlines and stuff. I'm just saying. Wie kennst du das? Er ist auch ein bisschen von der Hustensaat, von der Karla-Saat. Ja?
We played this game. Shadows dance across the floor. Heartbeat racing, wanting more. Call my name, light the fire.
Entschuldigst, von wie kennst du die Husten? Ja? Wo bist du?
Feel the rhythm, feel the spark. Dance together in the dark.
The house has to do off YouTube this, the book? I'm sure there is. Hold on.
Break the chain, let it go. Lose the pain, echoes loud in the night. Hold on tight till morning light. Call my name, light the fire. Take me higher, never tired. Feel the rhythm, feel the spark. Dance together in the dark. Every move, every sound lifts us up, spins us around. No escape, no retreat. Feel the rush of the beat.
Die hast laat maar zijn. Janke, ga liken doe de getroffen, maar in de comments is part 2 van jene video. Ze kijkt aus wie ze dezelfde, but the idea, gewoon niet alleen de ganze book, but the idea, at least get the idea. I learned with him with Coil the Viggy. What? What it was Coil the Viggy? Penny, just imagine. My emphasis sincerely, huh? Jetzt hast du ein Maß besan, eine ganze Sache, wo sie ist, und jene versteht, wo ist. Na, ist auf YouTube. Wo sie das YouTube? Ja, mal eine sucht mir etwas YouTube. Auf der YouTube. Wieso legt man das darauf auf der YouTube?
Electric skies and a fire.
Brooklyn, man kann treffen an Apartment, es ist just der Preis. Es ist just der Preisen. Ich bin auf einer WhatsApp-Group.
Wild under midnight.
Crazy. Es ist nicht schwer, es ist just Geld. Es ist just Geld. Ich bin auf einer WhatsApp-Group für Apartments in Rockland County. Es kommt darauf jeden Tag, aber die Preise sind dann like...
Feel so alive with you tonight.
Now I start looking
Touch is thunder, a crashing tide, pulling me deeper. I cannot hide. Stars are burning just like a flame. Forever I'll never feel the rhythm in our bones. This love, a spark that overflows. The world fades as we collide.
Okay, ich habe mich rausgelagt und fertig.
With you tonight.
Ich habe mich rausgelagt und fertig. Don't need to have any issues.
Time stands still as we take flight. Two hearts soaring through the night. No map, no guide, just this embrace. Forever lost in this boundless space. Feel the rhythm
Practice account.
of a spark that overflows. The world fades as we collide.
In Brooklyn, the prices are much worse, yes.
With you tonight. Sunrise paints the ocean gold.
Beverly Hills for Litvax. Oi vei.
Never told.
What do you think a normal price for a two-bedroom apartment? Ich habe gesehen, a one-bedroom apartment geht für $2,000. $2,800, okay. What's considered a Litvak? Nicht kan Chuset. Nicht kan Chuset.
Lose yourself to the rhythms deceit. Waves crash like a drumline sound. Shadows twirl on sandy ground. Every step a treasure found. We're lost and free where love's unbound. Island heat, dancing feet. Feel that beat, never retreat. Moonlight glow, hearts compete. Lose yourself to the rhythms deceit. starlit sky, echoes sing as spirits fly. No goodbyes, we only try to let the night be our alibi. Island heat, dancing feet, feel that beat, never retreat. Moonlight glow, hearts compete, lose yourself to the rhythms to see.
Ja, Penny. Agreed. Ik denk me halt gaan met af Oostländer de Gevret in West. Zei ga je ook. Veel wie zou dat zacht zitten.
Island heat under the sun, golden rays till the day is done. Ocean breeze carries the fun. Feel alive, we're all as one. Dancing feet on the sandy shore. Feel that beat, can't ask for more. Hearts are wild, spirits soar. Never retreat, we crave the core. Waves crash loud, the drumline tune. Palms sway soft beneath the moon. Firelight sparks a lively boom. Midnight magic coming soon. Fingers trace the island song. Every moment where we belong. Life's a rhythm beating strong. Chase it now, don't wait too long. Dancing feet, a sandy shore. Feel that beat, can't ask for more. Hearts are wild, spirits soar. Never retreat, we crave the core. Island heat where we collide. Dreams awake with the rising tide. Under the stars, let's take the ride. Forever here, no need to hide.
Auf wem ist da in Brooklyn Muffen so Zetzestro? Und wo ist die Idee? Man kann nicht lernen in New York? Oder man will nicht anleben der Eltern?
Dance on the stars, hearts in the dark. You and the beat, that's where we start. Feel the rhythm rise, fire in your eyes. We lose control, let the music roll. Under the stars, we're alive.
Gearbeitet von Menschen, wie zeiden, eigentlich sind gefahren auf Zetzestro für ein Jahr. Und sind alle zurückgekommen zu Haus. I'm like, spoiled brothers,
Feel the heat,
spoiled people sometimes.
dancing hard.
Sometimes they're spoiled, you know what I'm saying?
Feel the spark,
You missed your account.
dancing hard.
It's easier to find jobs there, and they start life knowing each other. That's nice. That's cute. Plus, I can't afford that. The problem is, MCTS, if you zoom out a minute, is kaimu kaina nish ready, and financially kaimu nish dorten. That's also a problem. But, but I'm just saying it's sad. It's sad to see so much money, so much potential going in garbage, you know? And you don't have to be smart. Like, nicht jeder eine can own a business. Like, von mir habe ich auch gemeint, man darf own a business. Weil jeder ownt a business. Und ich bin nicht kein businessman. So why are you making everybody should own a business? I invest. I worked hard for my money. So, meaning to say,
Days like these, they could last forever. Stay with me just a little bit longer, baby.
American speaking English in Israel is very short for Nice, okay. So man har dort einen Amerikaner Job, sagst du.
Right under the summer sky. And as the world goes by, there's only you and I. Days like these, they could last forever. Stay with me.
But usually the mensen was voor nog het is rol. Usually, do zij die oder tati was do geld. Ze zijn niet kan ik moesten from the get-go, if you know what I'm saying. Remember, I worked for these people. Das ist eine normale Sache. Man fährt auf das Ruf für ein Jahr, man kommt zurück, man kauft ein Haus. Was heißt? Man kauft nicht ein Haus? Einmal kannst du noch? Like what?
Like these, they could last forever. Stay with me just a little bit longer, baby.
Both parents help a little. Okay. Me get help.
More hellos, less goodbyes. We only got one night. Let's get drunk and get high. Do you wanna party till the sunrise? No regrets, no rewind. We only got one night. Let's get drunk and get high. Do you wanna party till the sunrise?
MCTS is onto something? It would be nice, yeah. It would be nice. I don't know if I'm the spearhead on the situation, but
I see oceans when I look in your
Just a little education. Just a little education would be amazing, you know. I literally see it like Bitcoin 2013, 2012. Completed my first 5K yesterday. Nice. Good for you, MCTS. Nice. That is great. Chaim, welcome back. Welcome back, Chaim. How you doing?
Lost in the moment, lost in your eyes. Let's take a drive to the Hollywood sign. When I'm with you, girl, I feel so alive. Make one wish, look up to the sky. Don't need stars, you shine so bright. Yeah, you're glowing and you don't even try. More hellos, less goodbyes. We only got one night. Let's get drunk and get high. Do you wanna party?
Nothing is up. Nothing is up.
Regrets, no rewind. We only
habe gesehen, als, hold on. Mal ein bisschen rein switchen, weil ich mich schon rausgelagt, anyways. Ich watch a sag mal Long Island audit.
Intimidate me. You might intimidate all the guys in there. You're not going to intimidate me.
Family B, hello and welcome E. How you doing? How you doing? So, ich watch a sag mal Long Island audit. Is a First Amendment auditor. And ich was eigentlich wie halt sein cool. And is chilled. Wird nicht die ganze verloren. So, ich habe schon rausgelagt Hand von der Account. So, lass mal das watchen.
I was
On
walking.
state property right now.
It's
After I
public
told
property.
you, pull
Who
up
owns
what
the
you
state
think
property?
You need to leave our property. You either start what you
But this is public.
Let's get into it. When are we running again? Running from the police. Jetzt können wir gehen for a walk. Ich bin nicht kein Runner. But we can go for a walk. Come to my neighborhood.
Hey, what's up, guys?
By the way, ich gehe keinmal nicht kein Geld. Mein, like, sicher wie ich habe Geld. But he's the only person I've given money to.
Island audit here.
Auch because ich mich auch ausgelernt, wieso I like certain Sachen in perspective.
Back again with another installment of Throwback Thursday. Today's audit takes place at the Oshkosh Correctional Institution in the state of Wisconsin, where wannabe law enforcement officers try to exert authority they don't have and get educated in epic fashion. Let's get into it.
You need help with something?
I'm sorry?
You need help with something?
Oh, who are you?
We are almost hitting 3K subscribers, yes. Agreed. Thank you. James, not excuses. Not excuses. Let's come again for a walk. Let's come again for a walk. Ich will walken. Whatever miles they will laufen, I will walken. Oh, thank you, family B. Feeling the love.
I work here.
You-
Correctional officer.
You're a correction officer? And your name?
Well, what did you need to know? You can't be on the property taking pictures and stuff.
Why can't I be on the property taking
You can't be on the property. En die kerst ook lijnen zijn penemer. Zij komen eraan als tough. Because zij zijn, you know, in the jail. So tutsig. And he's gonna educate them.
pictures?
State property if you want to take.
Ja, Brian Fahey. Gewoon mitgehalten, deze Brooklyn. Hem gespiegen in Poenen maar aan. I hope he's gonna take him down. Nicht, weil ich will Fahey soll werden, like personally, weil ich kenne Fahey. But they, als sagt, New Jersey Trooper, und hat Ego. Und gemacht hundreds of thousands of dollars overtime. Yeah. Ich watch on the videos, especially the supportive ones. Mine, like, Sergeant Fahey.
Pictures, you can go across the street.
State property means it's public property.
Oh, you can't take pictures up here.
For sure I can. I can take pictures. It's a First Amendment protected activity. Of course I can.
Why would you want to take pictures?
Oh, I'm...
Mir gegangen fin, die kennst dich nehmen pictures. Sie, verwusst, wie viele willst du nehmen pictures?
See, that's a better question. Well, can I get your name before I start talking to you?
Officer Coates.
Officer Coates, okay.
Ja. A
Officer-
corrupt ticket trooper. Ja, nicht keine Jersey one. Oops.
Coates, I'm an independent journalist. I'm taking pictures and video. I'm working on a story here. That's why I would want to take pictures in public.
Well, how long are you going to be here for?
Oh, I have no idea. No idea. You take care now.
Okay, sir, am I able to help you with anything?
Who are you?
I am Sergeant Lehman.
Sergeant Lehman?
Yes, sir.
Hey, how are we doing, Sergeant Lehman?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm doing well. No, I don't need any help with anything at the moment. Thank you.
Okay.
I appreciate that, Sergeant.
Okay.
Thank you.
Here for what?
Oh, I already explained it to Officer, already forgot his name.
Officer who was out here just a minute ago.
Yeah, exactly.
This is private property and you leave.
Deze moest eens komt eruit met deze private property. Ja, ich kann Ahnung, dass kann jemand anything different. Also, is the Sache. The guy with the radio.
Not private property.
Camera down, please.
Was?
So this is, are you a law enforcement officer?
You are not allowed to take pictures or videotape this.
Warum wird man aushuman? Ich gehe jetzt besuchen dieselbe Lines. This, boop, beep.
You can go out on the street and do the same thing.
But this is public property, sir.
No, it's not. This is state property.
Can I know who you are?
Right now, the police are being called because you're trespassing.
Trespassing, you have to have criminal intent. I don't have any criminal
Please
intent. I'm not engaging in criminal activities. That's what trespassing comes with in Wisconsin.
Right now, you're
You do.
In wie arbeitet es jetzt gehabt sein Face die ganze Zeit. Jetzt geist du aufheben dann Hand? Like, what are you gonna do?
I have no authority. You have no authority
You need to
outside
leave
of
this property with the camera.
outside where you just left. That's where your authority ended. Okay.
put the camera
You're not
down,
law
leave the
enforcement.
property.
You're not law enforcement. So I have to leave the property because I'm recording peacefully.
Yes. You can go out on the road and record.
Are you a law enforcement officer? Who are you? What's
I'm
your
the
name?
supervisor here.
What's your name?
Okay, I don't have to tell you that.
What's your name?
My name is Emil Tony. I'm the security director. I need you to go off of the state property.
What's your name, sir?
I already said.
I already said it. Wenn ein Mensch hat, meint, dass hat authority, kannst du sehen, wie es kickt aus. Straight ego talk.
Now you need to go out on.
I just want to get your name before I leave.
I did already. It's recorded, right?
Yeah, sure.
So now I need you to step off of state property.
Are you law enforcement?
We had notified law enforcement.
Okay, so does he work for you? You need to calm down. You can't put your hands on anybody. Don't try and put your hands on me. I'm not one of your inmates in here.
Nobody has
I'm a free citizen. Don't touch me, okay?
Please leave this property.
Trespassing in Wisconsin comes with a criminal intent.
You cannot be on this property.
Yes, I can. This is open to the public. This is visitor parking lot.
Well, if you want,
I'm
you can
visiting.
go on the street.
This is a visitor parking lot,
wait
sir.
for the police department to arrive, and you can take it up with them. All right?
Sir, this is a visitor parking lot. I will take it up with the police when they get here.
But
I
you're
will.
not going to do it from here. You need to step off of it.
Well, you're not going to touch me, neither any of you. You guys aren't law enforcement officers. Okay, great. I would like to take it up with the police, the law enforcement officers here who enforce the law. I'm not causing a disturbance. I'm not doing anything
You're on
wrong.
state property, and you can't be
This is
doing
public
on-
property. This
No,
is open to the
state
public.
property.
This is publicly
Well,
accessible.
that's a very, very common misconception. If we had a public sidewalk that was running right here, that would be one thing. We do not. Everything, those signs that say private property or state property are state property and are state prison property.
Who owns
which
the
is
state
not
property?
You need to leave our property, all right?
How is it your property? Do you own it? Do you have the title, the deed
I'm the
to it?
security director responsible for the security of this institution, so in that respect, yes, I am responsible
But
for it.
you don't own it. The taxpayers own it.
I'm
We
the
the
taxpayer as well,
people.
so we all own it.
Exactly.
But that
You
doesn't-
just admitted it.
Doesn't mean you can necessarily come on it. I also own several.
I have business conducts here.
Military bases.
I have business
that
to
are
conduct here.
No.
Can I get your name, sir?
Lieutenant Norton.
Lieutenant Norton. How you doing, Lieutenant? Yeah, I'm a journalist. I'm gathering content for a story. I'm in publicly accessible areas.
Journalist for what?
I'm an independent journalist, so I'm working on a story. I'm not going in into restricted areas.
Okay, that's
This is
fine.
open to the public, sir. This is not. There's time, place, and manner restrictions on these kinds of things. This is the broad
You're a
daylight.
journalist for what?
I'm an independent journalist, sir. I work for myself.
Anybody could say they're an independent journalist.
Yeah, because anybody could be an independent journalist, sir. There's not a restriction on the United States Constitution. We have freedom of press. I'm not doing anything nefarious. I'm not in a restricted area. The public can come up here all
We
day
don't know
long.
what you're doing here.
But,
All I know is
sir,
what
you
you're
could have
saying.
asked
No,
me what I
listen.
was doing here.
You said already you are an independent journalist working on some type of a story. I don't know why you're doing some type of a story over by a motorcycle parking area. What kind of
That's where I was
story
walking.
this would
That's
be.
the entrance. So I
Where
was
is your
walking in.
vehicle?
I was walking
Where's
in
your
here.
vehicle?
What does that matter,
I'm just curious. Where is your vehicle?
sir? It doesn't matter.
Fangt u vereng weggekadruiste. Why would he be stupid and tell you?
I was walking this way to come over here to take some pictures of the signs here.
No, I'm asking you a question. Where is your
That
vehicle?
doesn't matter, sir.
It does to me. Where is your vehicle?
Sir, I was coming over
Is
here
your
to take
vehicle
pictures.
parked on state property
Do you
right
see these? Do you see these signs
now?
over
Is
here,
your
sir?
vehicle, sir?
Sir,
Is
I'm not
your
answering any
vehicle
questions.
parked- You're not?
No, I'm
Where are
not.
we?
Okay.
We'll wait for the police to come.
This is a publicly accessible area. I'm just taking pictures right here. They have signs here. They have seen. You don't tell me when to stop speaking.
To come and you can explain to them.
You don't tell me when to stop
You get away from me
speaking.
now.
You don't intimidate me. You might
I'm not
intimidate
trying
all the guys in there. You're not going to
the one who is
intimidate
approaching
me.
me.
I was
On
walking.
state property right now.
It's
After I
public
told
property.
you politely
This is
as I
public
can,
property. Why are you acting like
mistaken.
this?
This is a state
Sir,
prison.
when you came up to me, did I treat you with any kind of disrespect? No, right?
Did
I
you
told you. He didn't ask me to leave.
I asked you. I said if you
No,
I did ask you to leave.
he said there's no
supervisor who also talked to you about it, and you are still standing here claiming
Because this
you
is
are
my-
some type
I'm
of
a journalist.
And if you were a journalist, you would do the same thing every other journalist does: is they go out and they film from the street, which is allowed. That is what happens with every single journalist.
So
that wants to get B-roll or
unless
whatever of this
yeah,
institution
exactly. So
because they know. Because they are legitimate journalists and they know they cannot
I'm not
be on state
legitimate,
property.
right?
I don't know who you are.
okay.
Så arbetet ikke så. Jeder kan sein. Anybody who distribute anything is nice.
Backwards hat. You don't look like a
Okay.
journalist to me, but
Back with that. Wenn they have to kicken über the video später, how losers do they feel?
Okay.
you are what you are.
Okay.
And go ahead and put this on YouTube or whatever you have to do.
Yeah,
I
whatever
tried
you need
being
to do.
polite.
No, you did not.
Yes, I
No,
did.
you didn't.
I
As soon as
asked
you
you
came
to
up to me,
leave.
you just said,
I
"Hey, you
asked
need to
you
leave
to leave.
state property because
That's
I
true.
own it."
Because you do.
Ridiculous.
I never said that.
You're ridiculous.
Don't cut it to say.
You're
I own it
ridiculous.
Because I'm sorry. What?
You're ridiculous. You're acting ridiculous. This is ridiculous. I can't come and take pictures of the signs.
We already told
That's
you
insane.
You can't come on property.
That's insane. Well, I'll be waiting for law enforcement then, because you guys got bad attitudes, especially you. Especially you. You have a bad attitude.
Well, that's because I have the responsibility of 2,000 people plus a lot of staff members in here.
I'm not a threat to any of those people. You don't even know the law because you're not a law enforcement officer. You don't know the law. Wisconsin trespassing, you have to have criminal intent. What is my criminal intent doing here taking pictures? We have freedom.
Det hebben man do. Det med dem goatee. Fangt to realizen as the Ashan is gerecht. In the Kansas zijn body temperature.
Press.
Proper law enforcement.
We have exactly. That's the
I
great
do
good
know you
move.
can't be on this property.
Good move.
In the officer do just kicked her. The correction officer kicked her up off the floor. He's like, I don't want to be here.
Good move. Allow the proper law enforcement to handle it. I'm done with
In jetzt nu musst du keiner rankommen, as I call around the cops mit a false accusation about something, and the cops coming around hot and heavy.
you guys.
Give you permission to publish that recording.
You don't give me what?
Permission to publish
Oh,
I got this permission of in public.
oh, you don't give me permission to publicize it because you're acting like a total, complete jerk? Oh, okay. I'll publish it anyway. How about that? Because I don't need your permission because you're in public. I don't need your permission. That's on you. You want to act like a jerk in front of the world? That's on you, buddy.
Jetzt gaat man sehen, wo der temperature von der Cop ist, wenn der Cop kommt daran.
Hi, officer. How are you?
Good. How about yourself?
Good. I'm
My
just.
dispatch called just said that you.
Yeah, I just wanted to speak with you guys. I don't want to. I like to de-escalate the situation.
Okay.
I don't want to escalate it any further than what it was.
Awesome.
Those correctional officers, they were like ready to attack me, trying to go hands-on, and trying to grab my camera
Okay.
and started escalating the situation. I was nowhere in any sort of restricted area or anything. This is
Okay.
where visitors are allowed to be.
Sure.
I told them I'm an independent journalist. My name is Sean, by the way.
Okay.
Can I get your
Brian.
name and badge number?
Yeah, Brian 375, Brian Diener.
Diener.
Give you a card if you
375.
need it.
Thank you. I'll take a card. Thank you so much, sir. Yeah.
And I'm
so
with the city, just so you know.
you with the city
Yep,
of Oshkosh.
city of Oshkosh, yep.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Yeah. So but to escalate the situation, I wanted to de-escalate the situation. I wanted to remove myself from their presence
Okay.
because they were getting.
Trug sein calmness, sein level is also, oh. Which, ich werde ungezeugt von dem, like, come on, bist gerecht.
I don't know if it's how they're used to treating people on the inside, but I try to explain to them, hey, my name's Sean. I'm an independent journalist. I'm just working on a story, taking some pictures of the facility here. Not in any sort of restricted area, like near a fence or anything. Just right there in the where they're standing right there.
Okay,
I was
so
just
you're in the parking
yeah,
lot.
in the parking lot. Yeah.
And then did you go inside?
No, never even went inside.
You never went inside?
No, never
Oh,
went
okay.
inside. No, never went inside. My I don't need.
Ich wundere mich, der Cop jetzt ist busy trachten, okay, wie kann man ihm herankommen? Bist du rangegangen in der Wohnung? Nein. Hast du gejumpt in der Gate? Nein. Like, trying to sichern etwas illegal.
For my pictures, I don't need pictures of the inside. I wanted some pictures of the outside. So they're like, you're going to be arrested. So I said, and they started freaking out and everything. So I said, you know what? Let me walk over here. They said the police are on the way. And when I saw you guys come, I wanted to speak with you. That's why I called dispatch or whatever. But
And I apologize for that. I saw you waving.
yeah,
And I didn't know if you were just waving to kind of like,
just to say hello.
well, and some people who are out, your First Amendment guys,
Yeah.
and people, I didn't know what you were doing. So sometimes they're trying to get a reaction out of us.
Oh no,
So
I
when
wasn't.
I seen you kind of going like this.
No,
I'm
it
like-
wasn't. No,
I'm
it,
like, well,
yeah, no.
Yeah.
That's not what I do. You know, that's why I came over here. That's why I'm talking to you the way I am. I'm just trying to. I want this whole thing to be de-escalated and for me to go about my business.
Yeah.
Honestly,
Yeah, and the reason we were here, the reason we got called is we were told that there was a male that was not leaving.
in the lobby, right? That's what dispatch said.
I thought it said lobby, but there could have been some miscommunication just
Okay.
with how it came.
Yeah.
And the reason he's talking to him and I was just sitting over here is because we were even seeing if there was a legal reason we even needed to make contact with you.
Okay.
Or I was going to maybe make a consensual contact with you and say,
Yeah.
hey, like, what's going on? And
Yeah.
that's why.
No, that's why I just wanted to talk to you. But if it's all right, if I'm not breaking any laws, I like to just go about my business.
Yeah, do you mind if we just talk to them first quick and just see what their opinion? I want to.
I mean, I would like, for transparency purposes, not to escalate a situation.
Yeah.
Since you guys are here, I would like to see what their reasoning is. So myself, like, I'm not going to talk to them, but I would like to document it. Like, I'm a journalist, so this is of interest.
I'm going
to
to find
me.
out because the other officer's there, so I'll have him come over and he'll talk with you.
Yeah.
I mean,
I just want to make sure that my rights aren't being violated, and I don't want to. Like I said, that's why I came over here, and that's why I wanted to talk to you, because I want to de-escalate. Those guys over there, they were acting real irrational. So, ready to grab my camera, don't step up close to me while I'm just walking around them trying to because they all surrounded me, about 5 of them, and I'm like, hey, listen, I don't want any problems. Let's de-escalate,
Yeah.
This isn't worth it. Like, I'm just taking some pictures in public. That's a constitutionally protected activity. I'm not.
Olivia sucht über die Wörter. Like, just a constitutional Sache. Ich die gut nicht wrong. Sei seinen na so, sei seinen na sie. Stark no.
Any sort of restricted area. I didn't pass any no trespassing signs.
I agree. I mean, if I'm able to tape you, you should.
Yeah, exactly.
Tape me, right?
You are right now, exactly.
Yeah, I mean, I have no issues with that.
Exactly.
Sometimes people like try to hide it, and I'm like, hey, if
No,
you
just
wanna tape
no.
me,
I never
go ahead and
hide
tape
it.
me.
I
But
just-
no, like
yeah.
there's times you can see someone like in a car, and they're like,
Yeah.
I'm like, if you want to tape me, I don't take offense.
Yeah,
If I can tape,
that's
you,
great.
tape me.
That some people do take offense, like these correction officers. They
Yeah.
take offense to things, and we're always being recorded, not just by police officers, but everywhere we go, whether in Walmart, Target, wherever you're going, you're being recorded one way or another.
Yeah.
You got
Your
traffic
phone,
cam.
there's always ways to find out where people are off their phones and stuff.
Exactly. I mean,
Yeah.
we're in public here. I'm not in. I don't want to push any buttons. I didn't go up to like a fence and try and. That's not. But they just exploded, man. They exploded.
Yeah. So let me ask you this: since we're here, we're having a consensual contact conversation. Can I get your information?
Well, my first name's Sean.
Okay,
I'm
are
gonna
you
leave it
willing
at
to
that.
give me anything else?
No,
Okay.
no. I'm gonna leave it at that.
No, that's fine.
I'm gonna leave it at that.
Can't blame me for asking, right?
Yeah, no. That's your job.
Yeah,
Hey,
it's part
sir,
of my job.
sir,
saying,
it's your
hey,
job to ask.
Yeah.
And but it's my job to politely decline.
Yeah, and
That's
yeah,
my
you're-
job.
You're not the first person who's declined, and I
I
don't
won't
take
be the
offense
last.
to it. No,
Probably.
no.
Right.
But let me.
Yeah, because I probably would have been already done by now, officer. To be honest with you, so I just want to.
You want to get?
I just want to get my little pictures and
investigative
my
journaling or whatever
Yeah,
kind of
yeah,
journaling
just
you're doing,
yeah,
or-
exactly, and just
I think
and
you
be
said
on my way.
independent journalist.
Yeah, I'm independent. I work for myself. But yeah, that's basically what I'm trying to do here, and that's it. And then I'll be on my way.
You're your own boss.
Because
huh?
exactly, it's great.
I
love it.
I can definitely see perks to that. Let me tell you.
It is. There's a lot of perks to being your own boss.
He was going to see if they know of anything that could criminally or stop you from doing it.
Ich will also, wie sie sichern, wo es kämen, treffen, anything on this guy.
Okay.
Well, how about let's walk over there together? Let's walk over there together.
We can take a walk.
Let's take a walk. Because I don't want to feel like I'm being prevented from doing anything, you know?
I don't want you to either. And I guess
this is a great country we live in. I don't want to feel like I can't walk where I want to walk, you know?
And I do want you to know too, Sean, like, you know, you're not detained, you're not being held against your will.
Perfect. That's why I wanted to go for a walk, just to test it. No, exactly. No, I wanted to speak with you, for sure.
Yeah, so I want to make sure we're on the same page.
Because you guys were going to be here anyway, and I wanted to, you know, there's always two sides to every story. And
I want to make sure
then there's the truth.
I'm holding you, like, against your will or
Oh, no, we're having a great walk.
Yeah.
So, no, I don't mind.
Yeah.
I don't mind.
And at some point, if you say, hey, you know what, you don't have to walk right next to me.
Yeah.
I'm not.
Well, I would appreciate that. I'd appreciate that. I appreciate that.
Just so we're, I guess I'm.
But, you know, the same way I'm for my right in being public, I'm for your right to be in public.
Yeah.
You have the right to walk right next to me, you know? So
That is true.
if it didn't bother. But that's very nice of you, though.
I also don't want you to feel like I'm, you know, harassing you or something.
Okay, no, not at all.
That is a fair statement. Yeah.
I'm for your rights to walk where you want to walk. But I don't have a problem either way.
Sure.
Ja. Gaan we de live maar weg.
So that was the original correctional officer that made contact with us. They all went back inside now. It's good. It's a good thing. Hopefully the police leave and can go about my business. Hopefully these officers educate correctional officers inside and we can move on about our day.
Heeft hem gegeven de linkerhand.
Correctional officers inside and we can move on about our day.
Wer shakt met de linkerhand?
We can keep kind of an answer. I don't know if you want to say
How you doing, officer? How are you?
Good, you?
Good.
Is it Sean?
Yeah, sure.
Er is a lefty.
How you doing? So, I was
That's very odd.
talking with those DOC employees. So, right now, we're under no belief that you're doing any kind of criminal act.
Correct.
And I informed them of that. They're going to be calling their legal departments to, find if there is something that says that you cannot be in the parking lot here.
Yeah. I was very familiar with Wisconsin trespassing. They usually has to come with some type of criminal intent to do something, and I don't have that intent at all.
I'm not saying you do.
Yeah.
So we were just going to verify, because like I'm sure Officer Diener told you, like we're unaware of any specific state statute that says that you can't be in the visitor parking lot recording.
Yeah.
So
okay.
If there is some sort of state statute that they're going to come back to us and say, hey, look at this state statute, say, this can't happen, and then we can discuss that issue.
Sure.
And then that would be like the warning kind of thing, like, hey, there is a state statute, here's a state statute if you want to look it up yourself.
Okay.
And then
that's fair.
And that would be like your warning, but then if you would come back again,
that's fair.
That would show that intent that you're talking about, right?
Yeah, that's fair. Exactly.
Don't worry about that when and if, right?
Yeah, when and if. I'm not really too worried right now. So, can I just get your name and badge number for you?
Officer Stefan is 409.
409. Thank you, Officer Stefan.
Cool, man.
Officer Diener, thank you.
Yeah, no problem. Take care.
Appreciate you guys. Thank you.
CG. Hello and welcome. Så du har en människa vad heißt Sean Reyes. Hat ett YouTube-channel was heißt Long Island Audit. Geht heraus mit der Kamera bei legal plätzer in record police, interaction, correction facilities, and seht wieso the government, geht zu DMVs, seht wieso the government employees acten.
So that, ladies and gentlemen, is not a walk of shame. This is
Ik heb some actually sehr schein behaved.
a walk of honor. Honoring their oath to the United States Constitution. It's a beautiful thing to see.
I wish you had your car. You could at least give me a ride up there.
Go with the Officer Stefan.
How would that look when you're recording me that I'm too lazy to walk up?
Take care, guys. So they all left the public lobby here. They can call their legal department all they want. Call your legal department all you want.
In the mala van hem
Wow.
is the mala van hem is as desire cool, calm, and collective. CG, how are you?
Correctional officers here at the Oshkosh Correction Institute.
And just imagine who's gaat voor inside. Wenn man act, also wie sei. This is far draußen. Stell dich vor, wie sie treaten the inmates.
Something wrong with you guys here. You guys don't know how to de-escalate a situation at all. Horrible. Well, the Oshkosh Police Department definitely did a great job. So we're just going to hang out for a little bit longer, guys, just to make sure that the Oshkosh Correctional officers over here know that we are well within our rights. We are not breaking any laws.
All right, fellow patriots, it always brings me so much satisfaction when law enforcement officers honor their oath to uphold our constitutional rights. It blows my mind every time I see correctional officers and their power trips. As we've seen time and time again, they believe that they have the authority over anyone they come in contact with. I can only imagine how they treat the inmates inside of the correctional facility. Their authority ends inside the walls that they serve in. They have no authority outside of those walls, and I'm just happy to know that they got the education they so rightfully deserved. Let me know your thoughts on this one in the comment section below. As always, stay safe. God bless. I'll see you in the next one. Long Island Audit. Peace.
It is fine. Not gonna lie.
Somewhere between dusk and forever. Somewhere between the dust and the weather. Somewhere I lost my will to go on. Somewhere I went and did it wrong.
Oh, this is Spring Valley. Hold on. Someone do nog eens. Mayor goes full tyrant. Suspended chief for protecting free speech. Oh, this is Alte. This is the mayor van Spring Valley. Oi, wij. Het is erop geliked. 15 shoots a dick, such on 22,000 views. Let's get into it.
You can go to hell! You have a question on everything I do! Shut up!
I will not let another man curse at me or any individual. The way I was spoken to today, I mean, if I could curse, I would, but it's not appropriate.
Go dat Yiddish. Get morgen.
I can do what I want to do! Out!
Can we help you with something?
Hi, ma'am. Do you work for the village?
Yes. How can I help you?
I don't need any help at the moment.
Oh, okay.
Thank you. The mayor who hates freedom of press and our First Amendment. Excuse me, sir. Do you work for the mayor?
Long Island Audit. This is an Alte, but I guess he's putting it back on. Back again.
Is that how the Spring Valley Village treats members of the public? They just ignore them? I'm just asking you a simple question. Well, I'm talking to you, sir.
Okay, I'm asking you a question. I'm just asking you a question. You don't have to answer me. I'm just asking you, who are you?
Well, you just ignored me.
I'm not ignoring you now. Who are you?
Oh, okay. So may I know your name and what position you work for here, sir?
Yeah, you may. So let me take care of this, and I'll be back to talk to you.
Oh, sure, no problem, sir. Yeah, no problem. Ignoring people is not the right thing to do. Ready to have that conversation now, sir? Are you ready to have that conversation now, sir? Are you a law enforcement officer, sir? Can you identify yourself, sir? Are you a law enforcement officer, sir? Wow.
When the Chevre zijn is Iber, do they not see themselves as losers?
Very professional. Hello, Mr. Mayor. Would like to ask you some questions. I'm hoping you're not trying to get me arrested right now like you did the previous reporter. Why do you hate the First Amendment, Mr. Mayor? I know you can hear me. I can hear you talking to your advisor there, talking about The police won't do anything to remove me. Are you yet again trying to remove a journalist from the People's Building here, Mr. Mayor? Is it true that you want to suspend the police chief because he didn't want to arrest the reporter who was asking you tough questions, Mr. Mayor? You removed the law enforcement officer from the school here because he wouldn't spy for you on the...
Weide me zisse, was du hast sag Jiden, was arbeiten dort. Sein Namen ist L.M. Simon. Immer vote ihm noch heran. Durch sein behavior.
Isn't that correct, Mr. Mayor? So this is the mayor's office here. So that looks like it could be his chief of staff. There's the mayor. Mr. Mayor! Mr. Mayor, I have some questions for you. Mr. Mayor, I have some questions for you. You're in the same exact seat you were when you threatened to arrest a journalist, Mr. Mayor. I have some questions for you. Don't hide. Why are you hiding from we the people? What do you have to hide? Do you still believe that you can do whatever you want? You said you could do whatever you want, right? Do you still believe that? Are you a tyrant, Mr. Mayor? Tyrants do whatever they want without any sort of consequence or accountability. I know you can hear me. Stop running. Stop running from the tough questions. That's what you were doing with the other reporter. You were running from her questions, and you threatened to have her arrested, and when the police chief wouldn't enforce your tyrannical rule, you threatened to suspend him. All because you took a law enforcement officer out of a school that protects children because he wouldn't be informing on the school employees for you. What is wrong with you? Answer the question, Mr. Mayor. Answer the questions. Absolutely ridiculous. So the mayor is hiding. Just close the blinds. We're not going anywhere. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are in the police department / justice court. Let's take a look around. I would like to submit a FOIL request. I would like to submit a FOIL request for the village. Thank you so much. All right, thank you.
Let's
go ahead and fill this out. Excuse me, sir. In what capacity do you work for the village? In what capacity? What's your title and name? Sir, would you mind providing me with that information? What's your title and name, sir, for the village? No answer? Hi, ma'am. So this is my FOIL request right here for records. I'm just requesting the first, last name, title, and salary of all village employees.
I don't know that information, sir. I don't know that.
You don't know that information?
No.
Well, that's why I'm requesting it. You don't have to know it. I'm requesting it. I'm not asking you for it right now.
Give me 1 minute.
Sure, no problem. Can I get a copy that you received it? Can I get a copy of it that you received it?
As soon as it's signed off on it.
Okay, no problem. Seriously, how come you're not communicating
This is so stupid. Menschen acting stupid.
with me as a member of the public? Why are you choosing not to just ignore me? Oh man, this is amazing. This is absolutely incredible. The way our public servants treat us here, especially here in the village of
Man soll gedenken, als wenn man sucht, man soll voten für einen, soll man wissen, für wen man votet.
Spring Valley. Absolutely ridiculous. I would expect nothing less from a village that has a mayor as infamous as Mayor Alan Simon, the disbarred attorney. Why are you banging on doors? Why are you banging on doors, sir? Why are you scared of a camera? Why are you scared of a camera? This is the mayor here. This is the mayor's office. Terrified of a camera. Why are you scared of a camera?
Your FOIL has been received. We have 5 business days, and we will respond to your request. Okay?
Can I have a signed copy that you received it?
Just acknowledged it on camera for you.
Who are you? I don't know who you are.
We have your FOIL request.
But who are you?
Within
Who are you
5
to
days.
acknowledge it if I don't even know who you are?
You see me go out of the office. Can you please excuse me? Don't interfere with me trying to get.
I'm not interfering with anything.
Thank you, sir.
I'm not interfering with anything. So, who are you?
Have a
Who
blessed
are
day.
you? Who are you, sir?
Please don't put your foot in front of the door, sir.
Who are you, sir?
Oh, wow.
If he tries to go in any of the doors that are closed,
Wow, just imagine. It is the mayor. It is the mayor. Oh, hold on. Day one is in. This is in Ramapo. This is in Ramapo, Rockland County.
You can't videotape in here.
Why can't I videotape in here?
It's not.
Right to film in public and publicly accessible areas, to promote transparency and accountability within our government, and to ensure that our public.
So, wenn ich watch die Videos, watch ich arim. Wie so andere cops haben behaved, how other people behave. Nicht dafke the necessarily person that was
Public servants treat us with respect and respect our rights. Let's get into it. We have the supervisor's office here, Michael B. Specht. Hey, how are you? Excuse me?
You need a mask.
No one else? She doesn't have a mask. They don't have masks.
Just supervisor.
They don't have masks, ma'am.
Please, you need a mask.
But they don't have masks. How can you?
Just came out the office.
Okay. So what does that mean?
Don't videotape me.
What? I'm going to video.
Nog wenn man gaptig, dan moet ik maar over de hand.
Tape you?
Why?
For sure. Because that's what I do. Transparency and accountability, man.
You need a mask. Okay, let me call the office.
You can call whoever you'd like, man. There's people in this building walking around without masks. That's hypocritical.
Sir,
Yes, ma'am.
are you videotaping?
I am videotaping. That's correct.
What happened?
What do you mean?
What's it geschehen?
Why?
Yeah.
I'm an independent journalist gathering content for a story. Who are you?
Kan zijn als hij registered in zijn kop. Like, wat hij zoekt, hij kan het zoeken als een toilet cleaner. Boom.
I'm Penny Mann. I work in the supervisor's office.
Penny?
Yes.
Man?
Yes.
You work in the supervisor's office?
Yeah.
Okay.
And we can't videotape in here.
Why can't I videotape in here?
It's not legal to video.
It's not legal.
It's not legal.
No. Oh, do you have business here? I'll put it that way to you. Do you have business here?
Yeah, of course I have business here.
Okay. What is it?
This is a public building, ma'am. Why would I need to explain to you my business
I
here?
understand that. You get no argument from me.
Okay. I understand that. But van wat bist du? Well, I guess you didn't understand
This is a
that.
public building.
Okay, great. I'm glad we can agree on that.
Exactly. So, do you have business here? Is there
Yes.
an office that you're going to?
I'm sorry? Yeah, but why would I need to tell you my business here, though?
Because you cannot legally be here if you don't have business here.
Sure, I can. This is a public. We agreed that this is a public building, ma'am.
Yes, it is a public building.
So it's open to the public. It's not loitering. I just told you I'm an independent journalist.
Okay.
I have freedom of press,
Do you
ma'am.
have a reason to be here?
Yes, I do. I just told you I'm an
You said
independent journalist.
Your hat says "We the People."
We the people. Yes, my hat. You like it?
We're all the. I love the hat. Actually.
Okay. Great. I'm happy.
We're all the people.
Thank you. You can grab me one if you want. If we're all going to follow the rules now,
So, question.
I'd appreciate it.
Alles good. Hello and welcome. How you doing?
Okay, thank you. I will. I'm just talking to her really quick. She wants to talk to me.
So-
Penny.
So, question. Why are you taping? Let me ask you that.
I don't know. I feel like
Dovet. Hello and welcome. So this is Long Island audit in Erigeween in Ramapo. So it's an alte video. And it is our First Amendment auditor.
we're going around in a second. I'm an independent journalist.
Gaat eraan zijn public plaatsen. Wie mensen haben schon sich zigewohnt. Als kommt sich sei alles und sei an the power. Und challenged das.
Working on a story.
Okay. What is your story?
My story, I don't want to divulge that until it's published.
Okay.
I don't want to divulge that. Not right now, this time. Thank you, ma'am. I really appreciate it. Thank you. Thank you.
Joanne, did you
Okay. I'm going to continue about my business. So we have the attorney's office here. I can't believe that unless I have They're making a real big deal out of this. It's not supposed to be that way. It's always somebody from the supervisor's office.
This is an alta video. This is Drayu Tzedek, but I'm rewatching it. Is he wasting people's time? No, they waste their own time.
No public entry. You see, this is where you can't go. Restricted areas. We have the assessor's office over here.
Alles gets is rights is also wie muscles. If you don't use it, you lose it. So is eine von der Menschen, was machen unsere rights besser.
The town clerk will be doing a FOIL request. Just a few minutes. The receiver of taxes over here.
You charge for pictures.
I'm sorry?
You charge for pictures.
You charge for pictures? How much? Don't say nothing. You charge for pictures. For me? Who? Who? These three officers over here?
So, kijk hoe we de officers, wo zijn swear to protect you, kijk hoe ze gaan ziwakken, mit also Umf, mit also, they own the world. En ich verstehe, als cops darf man sagen mal ownen the situation, but it went a bit too much.
You can stay right there, that's fine.
Like, you can stay right there.
You don't need to approach me.
Wer bist die? Wo's?
Excuse me?
You can stay right there.
I don't need to approach you?
No, you can stay right back there. You can walk back that way.
Kijk on de... Kijk on de... Okay, ik darf ownen the situation. Cap Winter.
You can walk back that way.
Yeah.
Keep
I don't
walking back
wanna-
that way.
Can you de-escalate a little bit? Because I feel like you're trying to just exert your authority over me and I don't like
Dus
it.
jetzt darf sie nehmen a deep breath.
I'm not. I'm speaking to you in my normal voice.
You have no authority over me. Okay?
Actually, I do.
I'm in a public building. I'm conducting
they're
lawful
asking you to
business.
leave.
I'm conducting lawful business. No, they didn't. That's
Yes,
a lie.
they did.
They did not ask me to
They
leave.
asked you to leave and they said that you were...
Kijk on de kap. So ich kijk op de andere kaps. Ze zijn... Wieso zij gaan gappen... The situation going on. Sie is Mrs. Winter, Cap Winter, ich hoffe, sie ist auch Cap, is hot and heavy. Like, oh, it's a tutzig. The andere is outside of the situation, and the Azanvia slowly turns, like, oh, he calms down.
Conducting business. I'm conducting
So
business.
therefore, you need to leave the location.
I'm conducting business. I'm doing a Freedom of Information Act request.
They asked you to leave. And
So you're
that-
saying, can I get a supervisor here?
Right here.
Right there.
Hi.
Kijk on the andere kap. Can we get a supervisor? There. Ja, wel kijk.
So you're saying, can I get a supervisor here?
Right here.
Right there.
Beide. So, von wo ist das nicht der Supervisor?
Hi. I'm conducting lawful business. I'm an independent journalist, exercising my freedom of.
Sie sucht, alright, okay. Goonisch geht nicht heran in den Bauch. Zero.
Press right.
Okay.
It's a right, not a privilege. Freedom of press. This is a public building. You guys have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 officers here, 6 including yourself, Sergeant.
Okay.
It's completely uncalled for. I'm trying to conduct business.
Okay. What is your business? What are you trying to
I'm doing a Freedom of Information request, which is a law,
Okay.
and I'm also gathering content for a story.
Okay. Well, right now we were called
Zest, goon, okay, wo die uns gesucht ist irrelevant. Jetzt ga ich reden.
here by the people who work in this office building.
Okay.
They're concerned for their safety and their well-being. That there is somebody in here. They've asked you to step out and to leave and to stop video.
They did
recording
not.
here.
I have it on camera. They did not ask me to leave.
Okay. Well, that's what they're relaying to us.
Okay,
So
it's a lie.
That's why we are here right now. I'm not going to dispute truth or fact right now. I'm going to tell you that is why we're here right now. We are going to conduct our investigation.
That's fine.
Okay,
Conduct whatever
I'm going
investigation
to
you
ask
like.
for your ID because we do need to know who we're speaking with right now.
Wow. Wieso kennst die... Wieso kennst die beten ID? Die hebben keine zero. They zijn aan de cops, was darf dich protect.
You're gonna ask for my ID.
Yes, I am.
So in order,
Part of our investigation.
okay, in order for me, I just want to just, I listen to you, so I'd ask you just listen to me. I don't need to assist you in your investigation. I don't work for the police department. I don't want to assist you in your investigation into me for whatever reason. Do you have a crime that you suspect me of committing? Do you have reasonable, articulable suspicion?
On an investigation of a complaint, yes.
Do you have reasonable, articulable suspicion I've committed a crime?
We're not saying that you committed a crime. We are here to investigate a complaint right now.
So if you haven't, if you're saying that I haven't committed,
Ze is niet te moe wo die zoekst, gaat eraan in de kop. En sie is de police officer, wo scan dir überdrehen dein ganzes Leben upside down.
a crime, then I don't have to provide you my ID lawfully, so I'm not going to.
Okay, then I'm
Het niet gebrengt die officers. Zij brengen this is intimidation tactic.
going to ask you to step out of this building and to leave this building.
I'm conducting business, ma'am.
Okay, at this point you were asked that you were not allowed welcome here anymore, and we were going to
Wieso kannst du nicht heranlassen nach Menschen in der public building?
ask you to
But you can't stop somebody from recording. You can't stop somebody
I
from
never asked you
gathering.
to stop recording. That is not what I've asked you to do. I asked
You're asking me to leave a public building,
Yes,
ma'am.
you are no
Can I
longer
get your
welcome
name?
in this building. My name is Sergeant Mayer.
Sergeant Mayer and your badge number?
Yes, 456.
456. And are you telling me that if I don't leave?
Because she's fed up. And where is he? What do you mean she's fed up? How does that? She's a cop. She is fed up. She's a controller.
Leave this building, you're going to arrest me?
I'm telling you right now that you're going to leave this building.
I'm telling you now, you're gonna leave this building.
No, but I just want to know.
I'm not going to argue with you back and forth. Let's step outside.
Are you an attorney, sir?
This is actually our
I'm the
house right
town
here.
supervisor. I
This
am
is
an
town
attorney, but I'm not here in that capacity.
Okay.
I just walked down the hall.
Sir,
saw something happening.
maybe I can speak to you and we can come to a better understanding here.
Well, I'm not going to speak to you while you're filming me. You're free to film me, but I'm not going to have a discussion on camera with you.
I'm an independent journalist. Yeah, but you're violating but your officers, you're the supervisor, so I just want to let you know, you're opening yourself up to civil, and you said you're a lawyer, you're opening yourself to civil litigation. All I'm doing...
She has cop power? Cop don't get power. Alles geht's. Cops kunnen nooit enforcen de law. De LAW. Als ik was het niet de law, kunnen ze goed niet stehen.
I'm peacefully filming. I'm not...
Bekend nicht der Rest if he doesn't listen. Nur euch bebrecht de law. De LAW. De kleine Sache wie de law.
bothering anybody. I have to do a FOIL request with the town clerk's office. I have official business here. I'm exercising my constitutional right. That's all I'm doing peacefully. And you're going to kick me out of a public building?
I'm going to ask you to give me 1 minute.
Okay, great. No problem.
So wie man ausgelernt hat, Doggy Bast, hat man ausgelernt, a Police kann arresten. Wo's, wenn, wie's, du hast auch wie Law. Kann ich damals so ein Team, was man will? Wow, kijk on the intimidation tactic was at the end.
You guys really don't have nothing better to do? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 officers for one man with a camera. I'm not a bad guy. I'm not nefarious. I don't have any ill intent here. I don't understand. What's the big deal? Somebody can't film? You have cameras. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cameras all over this building. What's the difference? I don't understand. Seems like a big waste of resources for your city here. Really does. Really does. Can I get your name and badge number? Since everybody wants to be here. What is it?
Officer Winter, like the season.
Okay. Can I get your name and badge number?
Right here, boss.
Right here?
Right here.
Is that RIGHT?
Right here.
Oh, okay. Simpson, 524?
Just imagine the ego right here. Is dat davon zoeken de nummer, weil in case eine keine Schleine.
All right, can I get your name and badge number?
Harrington, 549.
Thank you, Harrington. Appreciate it. Can I get your name and badge number, sir?
Huh?
Can I get your name and badge number, please?
Hey, what you said?
Can I get your name and badge number, please?
Oh, yeah. My last name's Mitchell.
Mitchell?
Yeah.
Your badge number?
496.
Thank you, Mitchell.
Can I get your name?
No, I'm not going to give it.
No. What
Yeah,
do you
I'm
hear? I just showed up. I don't even know what's going on.
I'm in fear of retaliation, so I'm not going to give my name. It's my Fourth Amendment right. No, I'm just here. I'm an independent journalist.
Ja, Fourth Amendment right. Dus darf man kennen. In is the one was, like mentioned in Platz.
Having content for a story, doing a Freedom of Information Act request. That's all I'm doing here.
What'd they call us?
I don't know, because I have a camera in my hand.
Yeah.
I don't know, man. Doesn't make sense to me either. Doesn't make sense.
You don't need to step over there.
Excuse me? Am I being detained?
You are being asked to stay here for our investigation.
Am I being detained?
You are temporarily being.
Temporary. Are you being detained or not? And she is the supervisor. And she has control over other people's life. Just FYI, she has control over other people's lives.
Detained
Okay.
as we commit our investigation.
Unlawful detainment.
You can call it how you.
It is an almost. You have to learn the law. If you're going to uphold the law, you took an oath to the Constitution. Freedom of press is part of the Constitution. You have to. If you're going to uphold it, you have to learn it. This is an illegal detainment. You can't
Wo sie darf lernen is a freaking diet, the overweight.
detain me unless you suspect that I'm committing a crime. This is all things you should have learned in the academy. And as a supervisor, I think that's.
Yeah, so ze gesoos lernen. What is this?
You know, you should really know. You cannot detain somebody legally without you having suspected me of committing a crime. This is ridiculous.
Als een de hoge kap, het schon ugemacht, als there's nothing to go, en kijk, we zeggen, macht schon mit der hand.
You should really
Hold
know.
on.
You cannot detain somebody legally without you having
Kijk om weer Kim te wachten.
suspected me of committing a crime.
Kijk, Kim te wachten, als een?
This is ridiculous. Thank
We're good.
you. Can I get your name, sir? Can I get your Lieutenant Doland? Thank you, Lieutenant.
Oh, kijk, kijk ons sie, get a mach eye contact mit Cap Winter, do. Get a kick of the supervisor, and get a kick of the defeat. Hold on. Get a kick, with a sie kicked Cap Winter, get a kick.
Can I get your name, sir? Can I get your Lieutenant Doland?
Kick on, kick on.
Thank you, Lieutenant.
Kick on, Mrs. Winter, kick on the supervisor. You guys got defeated.
You guys are dismissed. Please don't detain me unlawfully anymore.
No one's detaining you.
Oh, du hast the judge.
No. No.
If he's not doing anything illegal or dangerous or disruptive,
Exactly.
that's fine with me.
It's my.
If he has to leave, he needs to go. He doesn't have to go. Ask by Wayman.
Right to be in this building.
As long as he
This is a taxpayer's
follows the
building.
rules, then.
This is a taxpayer's building.
But thank you very much.
And by the way, she did detain me. Just so you know. Just so you know, it's on camera. She did detain me.
Well, I'm not going to.
So that's an unlawful detainment.
I'm not debating with you, but.
Okay.
That's all there is.
Great. Take care, guys.
35 cops. Talk about wasting resources.
This is the biggest walk of shame I've ever seen. Completely insane, uncalled for.
But the walk of shame.
Justice Court. Sir, you're a lieutenant, right? Sir, I would like to talk to you about a complaint I want to make against the sergeant. She unlawfully detained me without.
Go to the front of the lobby. Go in the front lobby of the police station. I'll entertain that complaint for you. Okay.
You'll entertain the complaint in the lobby. Okay, I'll be over there. And your name was again, so I can know who I asked for.
Lieutenant Dolan.
Lieutenant Doland. I'll be over there shortly after I conduct my business. Thank you, Lieutenant.
Rod zei as a cool, calm, and collective Vig. His blood pressure doesn't go up. Zai as I get. Because they're really hunting for him to make a mistake. They really hunt for him to act up as kan man arresten.
Unlawful detainment. No reason. All right, guys. So we took our tour around the building over here.
Alles geht. Ken zijn laws. Ken the laws. So if you know the law and you keep yourself calm, wir nehmen es nicht für jedem. You know, this is nicht für jeden. Für ihn ist es.
Let's do our Freedom of Information Act request here.
Ich meine, hat almost 965,000 subscribers.
They ring the bell. I get some service here. Hi, ma'am. How are you? I'm looking to do a FOIL request. Thank you. Thank you so much. All right, guys, so the reason why I'm here is to do this Freedom of Information Act request. Apparently, one of our fellow patriots had tried to do a Freedom of Information Act request for the disciplinary file of one of the officers here, and they told him that they couldn't. He wanted to see the complaint that someone had filed, so we're gonna be requesting that information as well as the regular information that we normally request: the salary, the names, the titles of all employees for the city, see how that compares with the average salary for the city's residents, the people that the city employees work for, or they're supposed to. So we're going to be requesting Wayne Mitchell. He's a police officer here, his disciplinary record. So let's get into it. Let's fill this out. Here you go, ma'am. So I'm requesting the, just so you have an idea of what, in case you can't read my handwriting, it's the disciplinary record, any complaints and any investigative reports to that officer, Wayne Mitchell, regarding him, and as well as the name, title, and salary of all city employees.
Okay.
And just a quick question for you. How do you say, I want to say your city's name right. How do you say it? The city's name.
The town of Ramapo.
I'm sorry?
This is the town of Ramapo.
Ramapo?
That's a town, yeah.
Ramapo, though, is how you say it? Yeah. Okay. Thank you so much for your help.
Request denied.
And you can email it to that email that I listed.
Okay.
LongIslandAudit@gmail.com.
It can take 5 to 20 business days.
For sure, yeah. As long as it's within the law, that's no problem. Thank you. Have a great day. So we're gonna go over and head over. This building also has a police department inside of it. So we're gonna be heading over there to file a complaint on the sergeant who unlawfully detained me. She told me I was detained. That's an unlawful detainment. They need to get educated. I follow up on everything. She's getting a complaint in her file without a doubt. So we'll see how they handle it. Let's head over there right now. Police department. Right over here is the headquarters. So we're gonna go inside, and like we promised, we will be filing a complaint against Sergeant Mayer, badge number 456. Hi, ma'am. How are you? I was told by a lieutenant to come around front. I wanted to do I was just in town hall. I wanted to do file a complaint against a sergeant.
Against the sergeant?
Yeah, the lieutenant told me to come around here to the front. My name's Sean.
Okay, have a seat. I'll get somebody.
Thank you.
I'm just doing roll call. Can I come back and get you the paperwork to fill out your complaint? Is that what you're here for?
Yeah, I'm filing my complaint against the sergeant.
Just give me a few minutes.
Sure, no problem, Lieutenant. Thank you for coming out and letting me know.
Yep, no
Thank you. Thank you for taking the time, Lieutenant.
Yeah, no problem. Have a seat. Are you gonna fill in the whole thing?
I am.
All right.
I am.
You can either fill these out.
It's a pretty simple complaint.
Yeah.
I can fill it out. That's no problem.
Yeah, you can either do it now, or you can actually take it with you, bring it back, and give it to whoever you want to do it.
Mm-hmm.
I'll just do a form. I'll just take your information down, and you'll put it on here. Obviously, this is like any other form, officially form. False statements made herein are punishable with Class C misdemeanor pursuant to Section 210.45 of the Penal Law.
Oh, jetzt kommen die los. Jetzt untersuchen pinklich welche Law. Früher hat sie gesagt, bis detained.
I would sign it, you would sign it. You would sign it here, I would sign it.
Yeah.
And that's it. So you just write down what your complaint is.
Okay.
And then,
yeah, just so I can talk to you, so you know what exactly my complaint is before I write it down. Is, there was a lot of police officers that arrived for, I immediately said who I was, what I was doing. I'm an independent journalist. I'm doing a FOIL request. You need to leave. You're being trespassed from this building. You can't film here. For police officers, the one officer's getting in my face saying, you're not moving from here. And I told her, please de-escalate a little bit, because that's how you get police officers hurt and members of the public hurt, by just automatically going in guns a-blazing. on a situation that you know nothing about. So I'm a peaceful person. I'm not trying to have conflict with anybody, but I'm not going to back down when my rights are being violated or somebody's trying to exert authority over me that they don't have. So they try to trespass me from a public building without committing any crimes, without doing anything wrong. I have freedom of press, as you know. And as you also know, Lieutenant, you cannot detain somebody without reasonable articulable suspicion that they've committed a crime. I specifically asked your sergeant, what crime do you suspect me of committing? Give me your ID. I need your ID. What crime do you suspect me of committing? And I'll gladly hand you over my ID. I don't have one. I'm not saying I'm investigating. Well, just for investigating, I don't need to help you investigate me. I'm not committing a crime, so I don't need to give you my ID. That seemed to blow her mind, like she didn't understand that. And that's scary for somebody in a supervisor position to not know the basics of.
Ja, stell dich vor, einer, was hat nicht gehabt, der Kamera, oder kenn ich der Law. Sein ganzes Leben kann werden upside down. Because our supervisor has decided.
You know, her authority in demanding ID from someone. That can get somebody hurt, somebody in jail, their freedom taken away from them. And that's why I want to do this complaint. Also, detaining me. You know, I'm trying to walk.
Alles geht sich, weiß nicht, man kann sich das trainen. Meaning, man kann nicht ganz Platz. You just have to, some people are just more calmer than others. And, darf sich trainen heranzulegen in den situations und trainen sich zu beruhigen. Das ist nicht für jeden, by the way. I get a start, as is watching the videos in nicht in sich trainen zu actively beruhigen. As geht durch the situation.
Walk around and conduct my business. Don't move from here. Am I being detained? Yes, you are being detained. Again, what crime do you suspect me of committing to detain me? I don't have one. Those are basic concepts in law enforcement that your officers and especially your sergeant should be well educated on. That you can't just go up to people and detain them just because you want to. You know what I mean? So that's my complaint here, and I'm going to be asking for some retraining, some consequences, some accountability here for these actions because it goes from the top down.
Your complaint will be completely investigated, as I said before. You can I can take your written complaint from just refer it to her boss, or I can have you write whichever one you prefer. Obviously, this is a preferred method of making a complaint because it's official. That's what we do.
Yeah,
we take any complaint seriously here, and we process and we.
Sure you do. Of course you do.
Investigate it. So
for sure. All right.
Just let me know what you prefer to do.
I'm gonna write it out really quick because I don't think it's a big it's a big deal.
You don't have to, just whatever you need to do, and I'll come back in.
Okay, thank you. Perfect timing. Perfect timing, Lieutenant. Perfect timing. Might be a little hard to read my chicken scratch, but I'll also be
better than mine.
I'll also be sending video of the incident for the investigation as well. If you have an email or.
What I'm going to do is I'm going to get your phone number, and then what I'll do is whoever will be conducting the full investigation, that's who you send it to. So,
great.
But you should get pretty quickly get a response from somebody to tell you what to do next.
Okay, great. Correct.
And I'll have somebody get back to you as soon as well. I don't know how long. It's a Friday.
That's not a problem.
All right?
But yeah, not a problem.
Pretty soon, all right?
Thanks, Lieutenant. Appreciate your time today.
Anything else you need, leave me a message.
All right, thank you. Stay safe. Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good one.
You too. All right, guys, let's get out of here.
Washington.
All right, guys, so we're just getting out of the police headquarters here. Wow. We just filed our formal
Shia. Good morning.
Complaint against the sergeant and a few of the officers that responded to the town hall incident. Completely uncalled for. That was one of the craziest situations I've been in. So many police officers arrived on scene so quickly, escalated the situation, threatened me with arrest, unlawfully detained me. The town hall employees were also very rude for the most part. There was some good ones who treated me with respect and helped me out. But for the most part, they were very, condescending and rude. And that's what we're here to do. I want to shout out one of we the people who gave me a...
Good afternoon, Shia. Hello and welcome from all the way from England.
Tip to come here because they have been dealing with this tyrannical police department and town. They are a resident here, so I want to thank them for shooting me the tip to longislandaudit@gmail.com. I hope that some change happens as a result of this incident.
some retraining, some accountability, some transparency within our government, because this gentleman told me that they are refusing to honor his Freedom of Information Act request. So we did one for him, and let's see if they try and not honor my request, because then they'll be getting themselves in some big legal trouble. It is the law. Public records are public. You have the right to receive them. So definitely crazy. Let me know what you guys think about this one in the comment section below.
Wow. It shows you where the cops sind, in the power that went to their head. Eine schreibt, you're an instigator scumbag. No, not really. He didn't invite 5 police officers to confront him. You're an American hero, in my book, brother. Keep fighting the good fight. Those people need to learn that they are civil servants. Exactly. Did the sergeant ever get reprimanded? Great job. I love this channel. I have some questions, seriously. What if every citizen decides to use their right and goes to the police station or any public place and starts filming, or in a hospital? A hospital is an open area, shite, as it is a public area too. Can I go into the patient's room and take videos of the patient's bed? I mean, shite there. Or can I go into the lab? What if I take video of women's videos? Wow, some people are cuckoo. Very interesting. 2.9 million views are this. Almost 3 million views. On channel overall, hot showing 549 million views. And just by the day says that is cool, calm, and collective. That is the whole idea. Yep. Go that Yiddish macht sense. Sie gehen sich allein zu investigaten. Sie haben gesehen, sie haben gut nicht getan wrong. Sie haben gut nicht getan wrong. 1 hour ago. Corrupt. Hold on. Warum hört man nicht the sound? Was ist geschehen, du mit the sound? Hold on. Oh, I see what's geschehen.
Walking back that way.
Returning to the site of the biggest walk of shame internet, they learned their lesson. Question mark. Are you tzedek? Is it tzedek gegangen?
Because I feel like you're trying to just exert your authority over me, and I don't like. You have no authority over me.
And some of the jetzt gewatscht, so.
Okay.
Actually, I do.
You guys really don't have nothing better to do? 1, 2, 3, 4. This isn't illegal in the courtroom.
No, I don't care if you're in the court.
Oh, det är schon tzedek gekommen.
It doesn't.
Hey, relax.
Recording, taping, photographs strictly.
To see it. Hey, what's up guys? Long Island Audit here, back again with another video. Today we are returning to the town hall here in Ramapo, New York. We are here today, as always, to peacefully exercise our First Amendment right to film in public and publicly accessible areas, to promote transparency and accountability within our government, and to ensure that our public servants recognize our rights and treat us with respect.
So, ladies and gentlemen, we're here to do a follow-up video, which is always very important. The last time we were here, it did not go so well. We weren't treated with the utmost respect and our rights were violated. That video has been viewed over 2.4 million times. So let's hope this one goes a little bit better. Let's get into it. All right, guys, so we're just getting inside the town hall here. Let's take a look around. So we were standing right here by the receiver of taxes when Officer Winter,
JB, hello and welcome,
like the season, and Sergeant Mayer, along with 10 other uniformed officers.
Oh, het had er a memory. I must say, had a memory.
Approached us from the end of the hallway here.
You can stay right there, that's fine.
You can stay right there.
You don't need to approach me.
Excuse me?
You can stay right there.
I don't need to approach you?
No, you can stay right back there. You can walk back that way.
Ma'am.
You can walk back that way.
Yeah.
Keep walking back that way.
Can you de-escalate a little bit? Because I feel like you're trying to just exert your authority over me and I don't like it.
I'm not. I'm speaking to you in my normal voice.
You have no authority over me.
Just imagine they see a normal voice. Oh my God.
Okay.
Actually, I do.
I'm in a public building. I'm conducting lawful business.
You to leave.
I'm conducting lawful business. No, they didn't. That's a lie.
Yes, they did.
They did not ask me to leave.
They asked you to leave and they said that you were no longer allowed to be here.
I'm conducting business.
So therefore, you need to leave the location.
I'm conducting business. I'm doing a Freedom of Information Act request.
They asked you to leave.
So as you can see, very unprofessional. I'm glad that they got a good education and they were humbled because they need to understand they have no authority. They were trying to exert authority over us that they don't have. Our friendly reminder that they're always
Toby. Good afternoon. How you doing?
Recording us, even though it always seems to be an issue when we record them, just like it was last time we were here. Over here to our left is the Justice Court. It seems that court over here is in session.
What do you need?
Who are you, sir?
Who am I? I'm Officer Edwards, the court officer. Who are you and what are you here for? You're not allowed to film around the court.
I'm not in the courtroom, sir.
I said around the court. You see what it says?
I'm not allowed to film around the court? What does that
correct.
mean?
Get away from the court with the film.
You came up to me, sir, with the camera and asking what I was doing.
I don't have the camera. You do, and I'm asking you, what do you do?
Whew, kick on the ego. Oh, nice. JB, bist in England?
I'm taking pictures and video, sir.
Of the court.
I'm taking pictures and video of the town hall.
Down the hall, film anything you want, but get away from the...
Ich meine, das sind nur results, alles geht. Meaning to say, it's not sure wie will us, but will us, is a geschehen, but he doesn't make him do that.
Court.
I'm not in the courtroom, sir.
I don't care if you're in the courtroom. It doesn't...
Hey, relax.
Listen.
Relax.
I'm asking very nicely, get away from the...
And I'm telling you nicely to relax. Just relax.
I don't understand which part you don't get.
I'm not recording.
Recording, taping, photographing strictly prohibited.
Yeah, in the courtroom.
No, not just in the courtroom, and I'm not going to dispute.
It's in the courtroom, sir.
If you're not going to leave, I'm just going to call the police.
You could call whoever you want to call.
No problem.
I don't know why you say you would call the police like I'm going to be.
Or whatever, you give me a hard time, and I have a couple jobs that I have to do here, so don't give me a hard time. I don't understand it. You know,
You came at me aggressively, sir. I'm not doing
because
anything.
you're filming by the court, and you still have it going, and I asked you to stop it.
He's doing important work. All types of work. He's so busy. He's so busy.
I'm not inside of the courtroom, sir.
Don't play semantics with me, sir.
I'm not. I'm taking that sign.
You are.
Taking that sign at its word that there's no filming or recording inside of the courtroom. The number to the police is 911, sir.
No, I have another number.
Okay.
I don't need 911. It's not that kind of an emergency.
Oh, good.
It's life and death. This is not.
Okay, great. I'm glad we were.
I called the cop of the private number. Oh, it's a mistake.
Recognize that this is not serious.
Yeah, I get it.
Listen, this is Chuck Edwards over at the court. I'm trying
Charles
to maintain
Edwards.
the court, and I have a problem. There's a guy with a video in my face.
Hey, how are you?
He will not leave the area.
You can't record by the Justice Court, but you can
so
record
if
in
you could
any other
send
part of the
somebody over.
building. It's just the Justice Court area.
Well, I was just walking through here. What's your name, ma'am?
Alyssa Slater. I'm one of the attorneys in the building.
Are you one of the attorneys?
Yeah. So just the
No, you
Justice
won't
Court
give
is
me
where
like any
the...
ID or whatever. And,
It's okay, I got it. I'll take care of him. It's okay.
Oh, fängt zu verlieren jetzt. Is like, oh my God, I'm losing the plot. Kijk ons aan Eugen. I'm losing the situation. I'm losing the Sache. In sie geht ihm sagen, like, I got it. There's going to be like a little trust issue, most probably.
Yeah, I'm walking through. I'm not filming inside the Justice Court.
So it's even like outside of it, and I know it's confusing with our building because of how it's divided.
Yeah, because, I mean, you have a camera right above your head.
I know, but that's just for like monitoring purposes.
But somebody could do, as an attorney, you understand, somebody could do a FOIL request for that footage.
She's handling it well, yes. A bit still hot-headed, but...
No, it's not. I don't know that...
It's public record.
It doesn't know if it's recorded. Come on. Don't be a dummy.
Yeah, they could if it was like contained somewhere, but some of them are just, like I said, for monitoring purposes. They're not recorded. Like,
Not recorded, not stored on anywhere.
Yeah, right.
Okay.
So basically we have our Justice Court window over there in the corner, and sort of anything that's over in this.
Well, I pretty much figured that anything, you guys have like a little barricade set up here.
Yeah.
I see. I don't plan on passing the barricade or filming inside the courtroom.
That's
No.
fine. As long as you're not directing the camera at that area, we just want people to have privacy when they're in.
In zijn arbeid ook het als anything dan Eugen can zijn makes the recording in the United States. So that wasn't true.
Even though I know you could walk in and out of there.
Yeah, exactly. Take notes and
Yes, you could
figure out their
pictures, whatever you want.
exactly.
You just can't record the people.
Now, let me ask you a question. Is that sign associated with any sort of ordinance or law?
It's just the Justice Court that is just prohibited in the court. The recording is prohibited in the court. But, like I said, you're able to record.
So I'll just continue to film in the publicly accessible areas.
Exactly.
Thank you. All right, appreciate
I
it.
would like to see your ID.
Oh, you'd like to see
I
it?
want to know who's got a camera in my...
weet van ID. And he's like, no, don't do this mistake. JB, jetzt doet de fight met de tomatoes. Maar warft zich tomatoes jetzt dorten?
My face.
Chuck, he doesn't have to show you. He doesn't have
I said, did I say I'm demanding? I said I would like to see.
I would like to see.
Oh, you can ask for it.
Als watched, I watch these things a lot because wie ignorant ich bin gewesen.
Yeah, I'm not going to give you any
I
identification.
didn't think so.
No.
I'm not surprised.
Why would I give you identification? Can I see your driver's license?
My identification's clearly visible.
Well, that's because...
sie treibt sie sagen, Chuck, kick off mir. Let it go. But is too hard-headed. He can't... I get the lesson. Back away. Take a deep breath. Back away from the situation. You might see it differently. Because seht es ein Weg. And it is...
You're a public servant, I'm not.
We'll talk about this later.
Also, kijk on. Sie geht als a Schockel mit der Kopf. Also wie, just freaking listen to me.
Clearly visible.
Well, that's because you're a public servant, I'm not.
We'll talk about this later.
Siehst?
Don't worry about it right now. Okay?
Also sie macht direct eye contact mit him. Like, get the message. You just get it, sir. Like, shh.
Try to explain to him. He gets away from the court. Go
Yes.
place you want.
He can, as long as his recording is not facing the court.
Well,
It doesn't work that way.
I had the door open, so first thing I did was close it.
And that's perfectly fine. And as long as, like I said, and like I told
But he wasn't cooperating.
Gaat nicht the message.
He wants to walk.
Why did I cooperate? Why did I cooperate with her? What is...
No, it's okay. It's okay. I know. Just, it's not a big deal right now. Just let it go. Like I said, as long as he's...
Sie brecht nicht eye contact mit him. Because he weiß, just be quiet.
Not inside the courtroom or filming anything. People going in or out.
How soon till you post it somewhere? I don't get permission from myself.
Yes.
You're a public servant, sir, and you work in a public area. Hi, how are you?
I didn't take an oath for this job. I like to just for ego.
Excuse me? You didn't take an oath?
Everybody in there, if you want to have some sort of an argument, just stay over there for now. Thank you.
Then we get at
All right, man, I'm just going to go about my business. Thank you.
Thank you.
So there's cameras all over the facility here. Apparently, so Charles Edward.
Alles gets the tomatoes thing. I think in Greece or somewhere, it do einmal a Jahr me warft sich tomatoes at each other. I'm not. Ich weiß, dass du hast gesagt, wie man warft sich tomatoes. The question is jetzt in Greece oder?
Here is not part.
The pinkliche details weiß ich nicht.
Of the police department. Oh, you'll know who I am. I promise you that. Stay tuned, Charles. You'll find out eventually.
Okay, but all you need to say to him, I was like, what to say.
What's going on, boss?
Hey, how are you?
Good, how you doing?
I'm doing well. How are you, sir?
Good.
May I get your name and badge number, sir?
My badge number is 576.
And your name, sir?
Clifford, Officer Clifford.
Nice to meet you, Officer Clifford.
How you doing?
So, yeah, you were called here by Charles, correct?
Who was I called by?
Well, I'm just saying you were called here. Anonymous call.
It was an anonymous call. En dat is de ID. Dat is Charles' number gestort.
So I just wanted to let you know that I had a conversation with him already. He is allowed to film in the public spaces, and I have made him aware that he cannot film.
Oh, that's in Italy, the tomato thing? Okay, could be. Some information are off.
Inside the Justice Court, or really anything from the Justice Court window over into the Justice Court, just to respect people's privacy, then it's our policy that there, and the court's policy, OCJ, that there's no,
Oh, there you go.
there's no filming in the courtroom. Other than that, I told him.
Hey, officer, how are you?
To continue, yeah, to continue as long as he doesn't enter any.
Yeah, last time we had a little bit of an issue. I was here a couple of years ago, and we had a little bit of an issue. So that's why I wanted to follow up and see if, we're still going to have an issue, and it seems like we're still having some sort of an issue.
Yeah, you're allowed to film, that's fine.
Yeah.
It's totally proper.
No,
So the cop zoekt daar ook het als was unsolicited information. Directives. Okay, 16 days, kind of is gevraagd.
Some people want to stop their job on their own. That's their decision, but my intention is not to stop anybody from doing their job. And everybody who speaks to me comes up to me. I don't go up to them. Or if I have a question, I might come up to them. But just so I know who's here, sir, can I get your name and badge number? Sergeant, so you're supervisor? Yes. Okay, so I actually wanted to follow up on the complaint that I made. I made a complaint back in December of 2021.
Alles geht's. Man soll nicht häusig machen von anderen Menschen's Michigassen. Because wenn die Geiste sei, ist es normal zu schießen Tomatoes, kicken sie die schon in die osnarische Sachen. Versei. So, come on.
Against Sergeant Mayer and a Officer Winter. And I would like to follow up on that complaint. I've never received any sort of follow-up as to the findings or anything else. Sorry, there's somebody who's recording us. But yeah, so I wanted to follow up on that.
All right.
How would I go about doing that?
I believe you can speak to our records department. They might have...
Is there somebody from Internal Affairs I could speak to? Because I filed the complaint here to a lieutenant, and he told me that they would get back to me, and I've been really busy, so I haven't had a chance to come back here, but now that I'm back here, I want to see what was made of that report.
I can ask when I go back next door.
Okay, great.
Figure out who
would I speak to, please? That would be great. I would appreciate that. Thank you, Sergeant.
Okay. Yeah, so just...
Schon water directives. Schon water unnecessary directives.
Okay. Yeah, I'm not filming inside the courtroom. Just not interfering with anybody.
Like keert wegen man soll recorden in a weinig. Do me a favor.
So you're going to come next door to see the record?
Yeah, I'll be over there. Sure. Sure. Because I would, in order to do a FOIL request because I want to speak to somebody, maybe from Internal Affairs or something, just because I filed the complaint and I never got any follow-up phone call or email or anything. So I'd like to speak to somebody and then see.
Because in the cap, du get das Schmeichel, wenn redt von der complaint. Mach mal rewind. Gaba kick an, koiden halten sie so in der Hand, also. Aber gaba kick der Schmeichel, wenn sucht hat eine Schritte gehört.
I want to speak to somebody, maybe from Internal Affairs or something, just because I filed the complaint and I never got any follow-up phone call or email or anything. So I'd like to speak to somebody and then see.
Also der kleine Mark, der kleine Lachala?
How I go about.
We're not like New York City where we have like a whole internal affairs division.
It's just like.
So it's just I just got to see who would be.
Okay.
I know it's not me, but
all right.
Don't know yet alles gets. We'll see. I'll take it on Sunday. Ik ga zien wie zo veel zintig, met zien wie zo the situation is.
Right. So yeah, just somebody I could speak to because it was a while ago now, but again, I didn't have the time to just keep coming back here and try and figure it out. But while I'm here,
just so I could. What's your first name?
Sean. Yeah, my first name's Sean.
And this was what, 2 years ago?
December 2021 was the almost 2 years ago now. Yeah.
Okay.
So yeah, again, I just never heard anything, and I haven't been back here since. I remember last time I was here, I spoke with the supervisor.
Yeah. I think it was Lieutenant Dolan. Yeah.
Lieutenant Dolan. That's who it was.
Yeah.
That's who it was.
He's not working right now, so.
Okay.
I know he's
Maybe there's somebody else that can help me though.
I would check.
Yeah, so I don't have to come back.
All right.
But
All right. So I'll probably see you next time.
All right, sounds good. I'll be over there in a minute. You can just put Sean.
Sean?
Sean, yeah.
Okay.
It's probably in the other report.
Okay.
Yeah, no, for sure. Or you could just Sean Rampo probably pop up. But
Well, in our system.
oh, okay. Well, Google, simple Google search, you'll figure it out. It's just my policy not to give up my identification. That's all.
Give it right.
Yep. All right. Thank you. Appreciate it, officers. Take care now. Take care, Charles. Have a nice day, ma'am. So, court officer Charles Edwards has a big problem. I'll be around there in a second. Thank you, sir. Has a huge problem with us recording and exercising our rights. I'm not inside any courtroom. I know I can film outside of the courtroom all day. There's no law. Let's head over to the police department. All right, guys, so on this side of the facility, we have the Town of Ramapo Police Department headquarters. Let's follow up on our internal affairs complaint. Hi, I was just speaking with the sergeant in the town hall over here. Okay. And he told me to come around here to speak with somebody regarding an internal affairs complaint I made.
Okay.
So I would like to speak to somebody from... My name is Sean.
Sean?
Yeah,
Sean, please.
no problem.
What can I do for you?
Hi, sir. Are you a supervisor here?
Yes.
What rank do you have?
Sergeant.
Sergeant. So I was just speaking with another sergeant at the town hall side. He told me to come over here. So I'm just trying to figure out how do I follow up on the internal affairs complaint that I made against Sergeant Mayor and Officer Winter. No one ever followed up with me. I made the complaint in person with a Lieutenant Doland. Excuse me. That's who I need to speak. No one else can help.
A contact number for you, and I'll leave him a message, but that's who you need to speak to.
Okay, so I would assume almost 2 years later that the report, the investigation is over, even though nobody contacted me. Additionally, like Lieutenant Dolan promised.
We'll be conducting the full investigation. That's who you send it to. So,
Great.
But you should get pretty quickly get a response from somebody to tell you what to do next.
One eternity later.
I would assume almost 2 years later that the report, the investigation is over, even though nobody contacted me. Additionally, like Lieutenant Dolan promised. So I would assume the investigation's over at this point. So how would I go about receiving...
But I'll just give me your contact information.
Well, I would doubt that it... Yeah, sure. I'll give it to you in 1 second. So I just want to know, how would I follow up as far as requesting that report? Who would I submit my FOIL request to?
I think it's the town attorney's office.
The town attorney's office?
You can ask the records department.
Okay. I'll give you my contact information for Lieutenant Dolan.
I'll send him an email with his contact.
And your name was?
Last name is Lee.
Lee, Sergeant Lee. Okay. I'll follow up with records on FOIL request.
You need help?
Yes, sir, please. Hi, how are you? I just...
Oh, er gewesen vorige Mal der Cop. Was gestanden dort und gegangen, oh, I don't know, we just called him.
I spoke with Sergeant Lee. He told me to talk with records department regarding, I'm trying to do a FOIL request for the internal affairs file and findings of an investigation that occurred.
Brooklyn, die ist auch gesagt, it's not going anywhere.
Almost 2 years ago.
Okay.
He says, I don't know if I contact you or the town attorney's office. Who do I submit the FOIL request to?
Okay, so all FOIL requests are handled by the town clerk's office. So they're around the back of the building.
Okay.
So if you parked on the side, pull out back on 59 and drive around to the back.
Okay.
So they have the application and everything you have to fill out.
Even for the police department, they handle the FOIL request. Okay, thank you so much, sir. Appreciate it. Thank you so much. Hey, Mr. Supervisor.
How are you?
How are you?
Good to see you.
Good to see you too, sir. Just following up on my story.
Yes. Welcome back.
Okay. Thank you. I appreciate it.
Gleich bemerkt wer es ist.
I didn't get a nice warm welcome from the court officer there.
I just heard. I came in a little while ago, was told about it, so we're going to address that.
Okay, I appreciate
more
that.
information about it, but we're going to address it.
No, of course, yeah.
I spoke to our attorney. I think she spoke to you.
Yeah, she was very cordial, very respectful with me.
Right.
And she was. It was great. She handled the situation perfectly.
Very glad
so
to hear that. Good.
I appreciate
Good.
it.
Thank you.
All right.
No, you're welcome here, and
thank you. I appreciate the welcome.
You know, you have a right to be here, and
Ja, zoekt er alle gieten verder.
we have to clarify that with some people that didn't understand that. We'll clarify it.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Great, thank
I
you.
appreciate it, Mr. Supervisor. Thank you for your time. Thank you for coming out and speaking to me.
My pleasure.
I just got to file a FOIL request inside.
Oh, okay.
All right.
Got it.
I'll be on my way.
Very good. Take care.
You too. Hi, ma'am. How are you?
Good, how are you?
Hi, I would like to file a FOIL request.
Sure.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Zo gaat hij houdt de camera met de hand. En dat is een smooth weg van houden de camera.
Are you familiar with the form?
Yes, ma'am, I am. Thank you. I'll fill it out and I'll hand it back to you. Hi, ma'am. So it's just made 2 requests there.
Okay, yeah, I'm gonna check.
For Public Works?
Higher. What is this?
I'll speak with Public Works from Town of Randall. It's about a sewer license application.
Okay, so you're submitting it?
Yes.
So let me have the town clerk review it.
Okay.
Specific enough?
Do you have I need you said in December 21, and then a list of all complaints made against Sergeant Mayer. Is that Mayer?
Mayor. Sergeant Mayer.
M-A-R-E.
And Officer Winter.
I need a time frame. I don't care what the time frame is, but I kind of need a range. To conduct the search.
Sure. As far as for the second request.
Yeah, because this one you're telling me in December 2021.
Made by myself, who is Sean Paul Reyes. And then, so for the list of their complaints, I would just say the last 5 years. You could just put that.
So this is 2020. I can't do math. So what's
So 2018? Yeah, to
2018.
to 2023. That's fine.
Okay, sir, I'm going to clock it in. I'll forward it down there, and it can take 5 to 20 business days. You have your email on here?
Yes, I have my email.
Okay, so you'll be emailed the response.
All right, thank you, ma'am. I appreciate it. Have a nice day. We filed our FOIL request. Time to head on out. All right, guys, so we're just getting out of the town hall here in Ramapo, New York. Honestly, I thought it was going to go a lot better than it did. We were already here. We already educated the public servants and the police department on our constitution.
All right, okay. Starka nog. Gaba nog als neemt keer van hem. Meaning to say, rights is wie muscles. Wenn sich scared of him, vergesst das. Have you ever watched Sovereign Citizenship, guys? Nope. They said the tomatoes is me warft. Spanish Tomato Festival. Kijk gewoon, voet dat trok met tomatoes en de oilem warft tomatoes. So it's ongoing in 1945 over a dispute between 2 young farmers.
Entonces ahora está dentro de ser correctos con la gente, pues está todo permitido, ¿no? Y siempre tienes ahí un vecino, ahora ya no tienes el vecino, que dice, este tío cuando llegue a la tomatina le voy a pegar un tomatazo porque me apetece. Y era esa libertad.
Baltaschas, Brooklyn, du weißt, wie viel Essen geht in Garbage? Von alle Restaurants, von alle Plätze. I'm just saying, like this. Ich wollte nicht herausgesteckt, man Hals von dem.
Total.
Wenn ein Bakery verkauft nicht ihre Sachen, geht alles in Garbage. Ein Grocery verkauft nicht, Garbage. But must be interesting. When geschehen das? Day Festival. We should start on 13th Avenue in Butterpark. That would be funny. That would be funny. Alright, Gevre. Yo, zit je met het zaad? We darf zich gezegenen. We darf zeggen goodbye. Kein nicht easy. No matter how many times I try. Will sagen. Will geben Score für jede eine Flüge für eine lange Zeit, eine kurze Zeit. The whole thing. Für die was noch gut sind auf andere Tab gemacht mit YouTube an der Tab, warum ich mein dir. Thank you. Wir geben thanks for alle likers, sharers, commenters, subscribers, and members. That what keeps the channel going. Ochet, and a special thanks for Yossi Bravet. And a special thanks for YG. And a special thanks for Pinigi. For gave my super chat. It really helps out. So wie de oil to the machine, lift to the redel, sprinkle to the ice cream, the welt to the zin. You know. The CEO for the O2. Ich try auf sich immer mit neue Sachen. Verstehst du, was ich meine? All that types of things. It really helps out to keep the channel going. And auch the mood. Gewoon going mit das Stickel type of mood. En dan ga ik met that type of mood. So, you know what I mean? Money does talk and bullshit does walk right after. So thank you all for being there. Housekeeping. Hand Donnerstag. So zijn niet kan live handnacht. So for the regular subscribers, we will see you all next week. Have a lovely and awesome Shabbos and an awesome Geschmacke weekend, depending on your style of doing things. For members, if I'm making a live, it will be tomorrow morning, Nana Zeiger. I'm the live. The Erev Shabbos live, the Erev Weekend live. En ook dat ik wil schicken, weiß ich shit, noch iemand zur nächste Woche, zu schicken package, the unboxing Monday, aber ich pin the address. Wegen Sintig, I am not 100% sure, because I gotta see how serious I am. Ich sich nicht chäusig zu machen. So if I feel like it's a chäusig I don't want, so I will have to play it by ear. We'll have to see. So, Oiber guys Intig live, it would be around 12 o'clock. Maybe I'll go for an hour. We shall see. We will see. Wie soll mit das handeln? Oder er raufgekommen, Matze? I don't know. We'll see. I'm not taking any pressure, you know. The volunteer work still goes on. Okay, I'll let you know, David. I will try. All right. Thank you all for being here. And until next time, stay kind to one another. Peace.